कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोग का काम है कहना, बट देखो यार हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है तो आप सुनते रहना.
Planning and plotting is not just ऐसे आधा घंटा का डिस्कशन नहीं. It used to happen the whole day.
शो के बाद why did you guys break up?
Because everybody was so into the game. I was like, I can't do this. I can't fit in.
के बारे में क्या बोला उसने, पता आपने तो अनफॉलो मार दिया उसने. आप
She claimed openly that I am cloud chasing. I had to uninstall my Instagram.
why?
She said that she knew Gulu from before the show and she's been following Gulu since he was.
Do you guys like each other? Like, do you think that there is something going on, or
Where I'll just get up and I'll start clapping.
तो उसको कैसे पता कि एपिसोड में ताली बजाने वाला तुम्हारा शॉट डालेगी?
And I feel like Sadaf has to stay single.
Yeah, because she's making bad decisions right now. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Don't Spill Too Much, जहां लोग जरूरत से ज्यादा ही स्पिल करते हैं. तो आज के जो गेस्ट हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से काफी अलग हैं. एक जगह है काफी कलेशी, बोल्ड, फिल्टर फ्री, और दूसरी जगह इज वेरी काम, वेरी सॉर्टेड एंड अ ग्रीन फ्लैग. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे आर नॉट डेटिंग. तो इन दोनों को बुला लेते हैं और पूछ ही लेते हैं कि आखिर इक्वेशन है क्या. आर दे रियली बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स और dating? Let's call Ron and Sandy on this couch and make it a little spicy. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Don't Spill Too Much. Today we have two lovely people on the couch. That's Soundarya and Ron. Give it up for them. ताली बजाओ बे.
Can we? मैं तो फोन ऐसे घुसा रही हूँ इसके अंदर.
चलेगा. Okay, welcome to the show, guys. How are you feeling?
Grateful.
Amazing.
Yep, always.
We'll start with you first.
Okay.
When you went to splits, when you came back, how did you feel? How was the journey overall?
First of all, it was like the experience that I never had before. So it was very new. I couldn't predict कि क्या होने वाला है, क्या नहीं होने वाला है. Every minute was like survival. You know that you're getting ready for the dome and you know that day you can just go home.
Yeah.
And you just have to stay, you have to do some planning, plotting, alliance and everything. But overall, the experience was very overwhelming. But at the same time, I knew that it's gonna come out like really very nice. So that juggling thing was happening in my head. And it was a little traumatizing.
Little?
I mean, it was a little traumatizing because obviously so many things happened on the show. And after once I came out also, I just took 1 month to properly like recover from what was happening. It was just like task को ऐसे करना चाहिए था, यहाँ पे ये बोलना चाहिए था, ये नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. All those mixed feelings. But overall it was one hell of an experience, yeah.
Okay. What about you?
Traumatizing थोड़ा था. मैं honestly बताऊंगा. For me at least, I think she was still having fun in the villa.
Come
Overall.
on.
Yeah. In comparison, I was still seeing her laughing and having her happy moments, please.
Why for you? Because you had such a lovely partner and like, yeah.
Yeah.
You're talking about me?
No, not about you.
Yeah. Lovely partner.
I don't know about the equation right now, but जितना मैंने देखा show, you and Asmita looked really nice together. I don't know what happened after the show. You like came out and you guys broke up.
Yeah.
But
it was.
Why was it so traumatizing?
It wasn't just after the show. Even during the show, we had a lot of difficulties. But again, like, I'm good at handling those things, ना. लेकिन बहुत सारी चीजें हो जाती थी ऐसे बीच में, which used to cause a lot of issues. Why traumatizing is not because of my connection, but you know how this is, no, Shreya? It's a very highly competitive environment. Like,
Yeah.
And what she's saying, planning and plotting is not just ऐसे आधा घंटा का discussion नहीं. It used to happen the whole day. जब से तुम आंखें खोलते हो तब से until the dome you're sitting and figuring out, okay, इनमें से 3 लोग अभी unsafe है, इनका क्या होगा, कौन है next target, किसके alliance क्या बोल रहा है, वहाँ से यहाँ से वहाँ. The whole game was just this. So.
But still, you had a partner in this show, so it must have been fun for you, right? No.
Yeah.
I feel like he didn't want to be a part of any alliance. So उसको कोई alliance से मतलब नहीं था. Ron को. He just played solo is what I feel.
I can't be a part of some sort of alliance because one is, by the time we also decided to get into an alliance ना, तब तक था सबका एक first priority, second priority, third priority सब decide हो चुका था. So now
What's
there's
the
no
point?
point joining any alliance because you'll be the last priority regardless. उसमें भी अभी मुझे पता है कि इफ आई जॉइन एन अलायंस मेरा 5-6 दिन शायद एक्स्ट्रा लगेगा, उसके बाद वैसे भी मुझे निकाल देंगे. व्हाट इज द पॉइंट? Might as well play alone, might as well have a little bit of fun. So I played alone mostly.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what exactly happened? Show के बाद why did you guys break up?
Show.
Or you broke up in the show?
No, we didn't break up in the show. Show के बाद I'll clear. There's a big story, but I'll put a little bit concise.
नहीं, टाइम है हम लोग के पास.
टाइम है. लेकिन फिर वो रील के अंदर नहीं कटेगा.
नहीं कटवा लेंगे हम 2-2.5 मिनट.
नहीं, लेकिन लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट यही है कि मैं आया था बाहर, हम आए थे बाहर, then we were having a conversation, normal चल रही थी. Then I asked her कि अभी क्या करना है next? Spent 40 days together shooting, ups and downs, everything's happened. And she was still confused. Throughout the show she was confused. So after the show also she was still confused. She wanted to try being friends and then figure out what happens later. Agreed. लेकिन मैंने एक चीज़ बोल दिया था कि listen, now after all of this, पूरा up and down सब हो गया. You have seen me in my worst state. You have seen us in the best state. We have seen each other in every state possible. Like we have slept for 3 hours. सुबह उठ रहे, सब थक गए, सब.
In every state, even I could imagine.
Time because there was a pause and I was like, okay, what are you saying?
But no, we were so, half the time we were so drained out and tired. Nobody is looking their best, okay?
Yeah.
ये सब करने के बावजूद तुम बाहर आके वही बोल रहे हो, तो I respect your decision. 1, 2, now I have also taken my decision. I don't want to do anything else with this. Show release हुआ. First 2 episodes में चीजें फट गया. मेरा unfortunately या fortunately at least, my Instagram boomed on the first and second episode because
Green flag.
Yeah, I got this full sympathy because I was called the least popular fellow. I was voted in the entire thing. So that worked in Instagram's favor. People felt sad for me and my Instagram blew up. Next thing you know, I got a call saying, no, you want to make content together. Do you want to like date? Do you want to take this forward? I said, no, Baba. You said you want to be friends. Now it's a matter of self-respect. So I don't want to be a part of this. Content we'll make. Content will make. Friends we will be. All of that is fine. But I and you are not dating. We are not official. We are nothing. Then she went to BYOG and she said, we're keeping things private without saying anything. So I was like, okay, fine. Abhi kya hi kar sakte hain? Then later on, I am noticing. Then fortunately, another thing was, हमारा बीच में एक episode आ गया where we were performing the tasks together, ना. So with that, people really liked the on-screen chemistry. Believe it or not, even the people in the crew and all of them also always, once they came out, they told us the same thing.
They kept saying that Sandy is subconsciously talking about Ron. Sandy wants a guy like Ron. I was like, okay, I didn't think it through that much, but I just enjoyed. I was there on the show. Yes, definitely to win, but at the same time to like celebrate and enjoy because everybody was so into the game. I was like, I can't do this. I can't fit in. Like here and there, I just can't fit in. So when I met Ron, I was like, भाड़ में जाए सब कुछ, ये जाए भाड़ में, ये सब कुछ भाड़ में जाए, जीते या जीते, हारे तो हारे, but हम आज मजा करेंगे. That was our motto.
Yeah.
So that's what made him very clear in his head. He didn't have any pressure of winning or something. At the same time, before that I didn't even perform with Deep. But first time I was like, okay, maybe this is God's sign or something. Maybe God wants me to be with. I was always saying that to myself. But again, there was something in me that couldn't go forward with.
But I'll tell you something which was a little different about our season, at least I feel. The thing is, we were all initially, na, because we were shooting for 40 days. सबसे लंबा था ये season. इतना खींच लिया इसको कि starting के 15-20 दिन हम सब मजे कर रहे थे. मजे मतलब even if things are going bad, we are still telling ourselves that this is an experience. Once in a lifetime experience. We'll enjoy everything. But later, as the game became more and more intense, na, we were all getting stuck in that loop of अभी survive करना है, अभी आगे जाना पड़ेगा. Before my mindset was ठीक है, अभी अगले हफ्ते निकल जाएंगे, चलेगा, क्या ही हो जाएगा. From there it went to now कैसे भी करके बचना पड़ेगा. Now we have to figure out how to go ahead because everyone aligned with that same energy of pushing forward. Then things got nasty, of course. हमारे बीच में भी इतना सारा झगड़ा हुआ गेम के अंदर, शो के अंदर.
I तो recently saw this guy told he ditched me.
Yeah.
So in the episode, I don't remember having that conversation with Ron. He's like, मैंने इसको क्या किया? मैंने इसको ditch किया क्या?
Dome session में.
हाँ, Dome से क्या बोला?
Rejected her.
No, yeah. I rejected her.
I saw that episode.
And
I was like,
that one comment, इसका जो reaction था, I still remember that moment. We were both it's so much intensity and so much negative feelings happening around, na. There's no chance of fixing it also. अगर मैं आके आपके साथ ऐसे बैठ के बात भी करूंगा, आप भी इतना ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो, आप सुन भी नहीं पाते हो, मैं कुछ बोल भी नहीं पाता हूँ. इसके बीच में अगर मैंने कुछ गलत बोल दिया तो और ज्यादा फटेंगे हम. So there was nothing happening. At that point, I think healthiest thing we decided was, we had a conversation. उसके बाद she said the best thing. She said, listen Ron, इससे आगे अभी अब जो भी बात करेंगे ना, it's going to cause problems. You don't talk to me, I don't talk to you
In the show.
until the show is
Because
done.
Asmita will not like it, and
Yeah,
I know where she coming from. I understand. So that is the reason. If she doesn't want you to have a best friend, and on basis of that, I will not vote you out. So this time I voted you out because I was hurt that he said like if you don't want, I will not speak to Sandy. That was very meaningful for me because I really thought he was my close, to my heart or something. But then when she has a problem, I don't want to be that third person. So if she is not liking the fact that you're talking to me, I will not talk to you. You don't talk to me. But on the basis of that, I'm not going to vote you out in case if I'm on the throne.
Okay.
I will vote you out on the basis of like, let's say, fair decision. Last time it was like my individual and obviously Gullu's decision also. I mean, so many times.
Coming back to this,
Yes.
after
Yes.
whatever happened, like
Yes.
she said that let's make content together and you denied. Like you said yes
Then-
for the content, but the
then-
dating part you didn't agree
Yeah.
to.
Then what
happened?
Was, she happened to invite me to Urfi's house one day to watch an episode, which is a great opportunity because one is I've never spoken to Urfi in person
Yeah.
before. So I said, okay, let's go. It was me, her, Simran and Anisha. A bunch of friends. We just went to see an episode and interact and mingle. And after that, it's just after the show has started. ना अभी पहले episodes आ रहे हैं. हम भी excited है सब चीज़ देखने के लिए. तो वहाँ पर जाके मेरा I am not an influencer. I'm trying to learn to be one right now. I don't know how reels come up, how ideas come up. But these three girls are so hardworking. I tell you, Shreya, it's very surprising. ऐसे बैठे बैठे ना बातें भी चल रही होंगी 10 मिनट में इनका 5 रील्स का ये भी हो जाएगा आइडिया भी डिसाइड हो जाएगा then they'll just keep their phone on one corner, just start recording 3 of them individually, then they'll call each other for each video, then they'll do another. So by the time, by 15-20 minutes, all of them have done 2 videos together or 3 videos together and everything is ready.
Okay. And you had no idea what to do.
He's just watching us like surprised, like what is
I am
this?
so in a position like that, right? My first thought is not that I don't want to be a part of the videos. लोग क्या कहेंगे? My first thought is my friends are making a video. अगर उनके पास वो knowledge है video कैसे बनाना है, then I want to be a part of it. So of course I went and did it. I enjoyed it, and I had one reel with her. I had one reel with Simran and her. So everything was set. So that reel also came out. She dropped the reel about the time when the
That's why she got pissed.
No, then what happened is, by this time I stopped talking to Asmita because she said we want to be friends. I said I will treat you like how I treat a friend. मतलब we'll see each other at events. थोड़ा बहुत बातचीत होगा. I'm always grateful and happy for the time we have spent. But इससे ज़्यादा I'm not going to put any effort. I'm done. Then I'm seeing later on these fan pages are the ones that keep giving you information. I don't sit and watch the episode. मुझे ऐसे I'm not really interested in sitting and watching a reality show. I never was.
They are
I
more
still
interested in her life.
They are
They're
completely
like, उसने
into
पता है आपके बारे में क्या बोला.
yeah.
दीदी ये देखो
आपने तो unfollow मार दिया उसने
हाँ हाँ
आपको.
ये देखो दीदी क्या बोल रहे हैं आपके बारे में, डालो दीदी डालो स्टोरी
Funniest part is ये लोगों ने मुझे इतना help किया because they started sending me screenshots of stories that this Asmita would post, and then Asmita started posting hate stories. Fine, understandable. You're my connection. You don't like me. Fine. Then there's Niharika also posting. I don't even speak to Niharika. We were friends until the villa got over.
Yeah, everybody has that problem with
One
her.
day she called me home. She made chicken curry and paratha for me. Okay.
After the show?
After the show. When I went to meet Asmita and Niharika together, I went and met them one day also. Next day was the BYOG episode, by the way, the one where they sat and spoke shit about me. Like, can you imagine that? एक रात पहले मैं 3 घंटा गया हूँ यहाँ से वाशी तक सबसे मिलने के लिए. Okay. Why? Because I believe कि अभी episode हो गया, villa हो गया, everyone was frustrated. I want to meet you all personally. Let's try to make a new relationship. I've gone. They've treated me nicely. We've had a great time. सुबह आया हूँ वापस. And next thing you know, I'm seeing fans are sending me things like, this is what they've called you on the show. They've called me performative. They've called me this. Next thing I know, they're putting up stories saying that Niharika's put up a story about you. Then Asmita's put up a story about you. Then this is happening.
Story saying what?
All these fan edits of me looking like the negative person, which is understandable to a certain extent. But why are you promoting it is my question. अभी मैं तो थोड़ी ना कुछ कर रहा हूँ ऐसे. I'm doing my own shit. You do your own shit. Now, because Ron is getting attention, Ron is going to get nice reels and bad reels. Now, if you sit and promote the bad reels, your account also has reach. What happens eventually?
Yeah.
And the bad reels keep increasing.
It gives the authority to other people to also say bad
But
things.
the funniest part is, तुम्हें इसमें कुछ भला नहीं हो रहा है. तुम मुझे बस गिराने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. You're not going to increase your work by hating on me.
Yeah.
You're not going to do. Silent पे रखना था phone.
My phone has never been on the ring.
And today it has been.
Maybe वो मैं घुसाने के time.
बटन ऑन हो गया.
So sorry. Did you put it on?
Yeah, I put it on silent.
ये घुसाने की
My
चक्कर में
dad,
बहुत चीजें खराब हो जाती हैं. नहीं करना चाहिए.
Always.
It's always on silent. It never rang in my entire life.
Without consent नहीं घुसना.
Yeah. वो घुसा रहे थे ना आप. गलत जगह घुसाया.
तो बस वही हुआ. उसके बाद मैं चिढ़ गया और मैं ऐसे टाइप भी नहीं हूँ.
तो जब आपने रील डाला उसके बाद क्या हुआ? I also want to
Yeah.
know.
Yeah, after I put up the reel, then I started seeing all these fan pages are sending me messages saying that इसने ये डाला,
I
उसने ये डाला.
asked him 100 times if you're dating and all. I don't want to involve. He said we are not
I'm
dating.
The thing is, I have always been clear. Okay, this one is.
You wanted to date, but she was like
Yeah.
taking her own
Yeah.
time,
But
and
the
then
thing
you
is-
posted a reel with her, and she got sure about this.
And
कि
that
मुझे
reel
नहीं
blew.
करना है.
And that
there
reel
was
blew.
there was no surety or anything. She just started posting hate stuff about me on her post story. I didn't like it. I kept quiet. 1 week later, she texts me again. This is like after a month of us not talking, and she's like, "You want to make content together?" I said, "Of course not. You're saying all this shit about me. I don't like it. I'm not happy with what's happening." And she's like, "क्योंकि तुमने कुछ नहीं किया ना, तो मैंने शुरू किया फैंस के लिए ऐसे. तो अभी हम साथ में content बनाए." I'm like, मेरी माँ मेरे को छोड़ दे.
I don't want to say it out loud, but recently in one of the podcasts, she claimed openly, I guess it was Meghan ka podcast, she claimed openly that I am cloud chasing because I don't want to do a show and just sit like idle at home. She has claimed it.
Okay.
So when she has openly claimed it, who are we to even question it? Like when you just accept the fact that you are cloud chasing, what are we supposed to do? She keeps posting my stories on her reels. She starts taking stand for people who are not even her friends. Outside the show also, inside the show also. She keeps bashing me on her stories. Every single day. Bro, I do not have to do anything with you. When she claimed that she's professionally cloud chasing, that's when I realized there's no point in fighting with her. Because she wants to cloud chase and she's agreed. Now I can't keep fighting with her on stories about
But
my reactions.
that is her.
Is it happening because she wants to go with the episode's narrative? कि मतलब एपिसोड में लग रहा है कि सैंडी एंड अस्मिता का झगड़ा हुआ है तो आई एम गोना पोस्ट अ रील और आई एम गोना डू समथिंग बैड टू हर ऑन माय स्टोरी सो पीपल गेट टू नो अबाउट दिस एंड पीपल कीप टॉकिंग अबाउट मी. इज दैट हैपनिंग?
I hope it was something regarding the same, but then there was an excessive amount of posts regarding me being the bad person for some reason why that was being posted. That was not episode related. But initially I also thought the same thing. Maybe episode relation के हिसाब से because that's the trend. The previous season also set ना like episode के हिसाब से they'll come on live and they'll have the discussion saying मैंने ये बोला है. That's why I feel like this person was wrong. I get all of that. But again, I don't know. Is it promotion? If it's promotion, then good for you. मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. But
I was fighting with her for the cloud chasing thing for almost like 2 days straight. I had to uninstall my Instagram.
Why?
Because I felt like this is not me. I'm not this person. She's putting up a story. I'm putting up a story. She's putting up a story.
Yeah, I remember
Then
this.
I realized, oh my God, she's doing it on purpose and I'm just like fighting for no reason. She will not stop because that's exactly what she wants to do. Bro, I'm legit busy from my professional life also. Like
Yeah, that's good.
I do a lot of things. I just go and sit in the beach for 8 hours doing nothing. Apart from doing for brands and collabs and everything, I have my very different private life apart from Instagram. If you are like poking me every day, and I literally had to uninstall my Instagram. And that's when I realized, and then I saw her podcast where she claims that she's cloud chasing, and I was like, oh my God, was I doing this? Like when the person has accepted that a person wants to cloud chase because she doesn't want to just sit quiet. Bro, you can do a lot of things than to put 3-4 people down on Instagram or something.
I've seen another thing also after the episodes came live. उसमें ऐसा हो रहा था कि गुल्लू और अस्मिता को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिल रहा था. Like people are making their fan edits and she was also sharing them on her stories as well. तो इज इट लाइक कि उसको गुल्लू के साथ अटेंशन मिल रहा है तो वो तभी उसको ज्यादा बढ़ावा दे रही है while she had a connection with you, right? Till the end. Till the end you were performing together, but now the audience are like creating this bond together कि गुल्लू है और अस्मिता है, तो वो उसको भी ज्यादा प्रमोट करने की कोशिश कर रही है.
She tried that with I think Tane as well. That also a video I saw. She said she liked Tane. Then she said she likes Gullu as well. Again, not my problem. I don't mind it. Maybe because of the same reason. Na? Abhi ye Gullu ka, because when we were in the villa, she never showed any interest in Gullu. Like, she said that she knew Gullu from before the show and she's been following Gullu since he was all of that. But she said, I never found him that interesting. I can never, she used to tell me, what will I talk to him? हम शायद डेट भी कर लेंगे तो मैं क्या बात करूंगा इसके साथ, ज़्यादा बातें करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. बट देन नाउ आफ्टर द शो ये इनका चल रहा है, सो गुड फॉर देम, चलने दो.
ये किसका चल रहा है?
चल रहा है.
How am I supposed to know?
टेन का और अस्मिता का चल रहा है.
चल रहा है legit.
नहीं, legit क्या है? टेन का किसके साथ legit चलेगा?
Also, I've heard Tane keeps flirting with everybody. Is that
It is
true?
very healthy. It is very nice. It is okay. You
I
flirt,
think
bro.
it's his eyes. वो देख के ऐसे बात करने से लगता है कि
He makes somebody
कुछ नहीं,
intimate.
कि अभी इसको कुछ तो करना है, but वो ऐसी
like
बात
that.
करता है.
देखो फिरंगी लोगों का वो एक सीन है that they are very open and very loving, like they are very accommodating, affectionate people. We Indians are not very used to it because for us boundaries is a very important thing. He does his stuff. Some people will feel uncomfortable with it because उनके लिए नया है. Some people will like it because it feels very loving and caring. I think it's a very friendly thing, but the flirting can get a little too much sometimes also.
Yeah.
But that's Tane, na?
He can love 10 girls fully. He can keep all 10 people happy, but he'll not keep one person happy.
What do you mean by that?
That
I'm
even I
talking
don't
about
know.
Sadaf, actually. So, yeah.
Why do you feel
रेस्ट
that?
उसको छोड़ के वो सबसे मजा कर रहा था विला में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अस्मिता एंड ही हैड रिसेंटली इन वन ऑफ द पार्टी इवन कायरा टोल्ड दैट तो इसको सदफ को मैं छोड़ रहा हूँ, तू मेरे साथ परफॉर्म कर ये वो. तो everything is making sense right now is because we have seen them talking, going through this passage, walking. I've seen Tane talking to Asmita, I've seen Tane talking to Kyra. I don't know what the conversation was. अभी समझ में आ रहा है शो के बाद कि he was telling that I'm, gonna perform with me and stuff like that. Even with Asmita also.
But why? Sadaf is a good performer, I think.
Yes.
They have won together. Like
Yes.
they just became an ideal match
She
together.
is a very good performer. She's a
No
very
idea.
good human being. She's emotional. She's everything. But it's Tane again. If it would be someone else, then it would be fine. It should have been Ron.
But then again, you can't.
So they have stopped dating now. They didn't date
Nah.
after the show.
No.
And Sadaf started dating Digvijay. This is what I've heard, and so I've seen that too.
I mean, I would love them to
I
date.
love the transition.
Yeah.
Abhi bolo.
You know, there was this sudden reflex. I would have said something.
Because I've also seen them in this holy party, right?
Holy party,
yeah.
yeah.
And there was this picture in her phone, which was, of course,
Oh,
with
damn,
Digvijay.
all this is happening. Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So were they dating? Why would you put like somebody's picture on your phone when you're not dating that
if I say
Correct.
anything, it will just
Yeah.
look, I'm justifying her and I'm just
Oh.
a cover up.
मेरे को लग रहा था होगा मेरा, but नहीं है.
दिखाओ नहीं है.
Solo until
Sad
I die.
Rishabh. Sad. Next time.
Yeah.
That's what, like, she knew him before Splits, and after Splits, they became like even close friends. And I don't know, I guess they just want to focus on their lives. That's what they're saying. Who am I to say that, yeah, I guess Sadaf likes Diggy and Diggy likes Sadaf and all that. Maybe they like each other, I don't know.
Okay.
Might make up a good pair. No offense to Tane, but I feel like Diggy will be better.
Yeah, of course. If somebody's giving you that attention and love, then the girl
And I
should
feel
go
like
with that
Sadaf
person.
has to stay single.
Yeah, because she's making bad decisions right now.
Hey,
He's a friend. I'm just saying that when you like, you're not. The show is also going on. There are so many things happening in your
Right.
life, so it's better to like take your time and look for the right person. क्योंकि अभी career बनाने का time है. This is what I meant, guys. I'm not bitching about anybody here. I'll just ask questions. If
And
that's
this
what
is
you
the
want.
answer.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're not dating.
No.
They're friends.
Yeah, that's what they say.
So they are like seeing each other, kind of.
I don't know. Maybe then I haven't seen, like, I was with Sadaf yesterday, day before yesterday also I was with Sadaf. I didn't see her talking to anybody on call or anything as such. So I don't know if the other person is busy or they are not actually talking. But I feel like if she just falls in love very quickly, and I just asked her to stay single for some time so that she can just work on herself, because she's very emotional. If you
that
see,
was actually very cute about Sadaf, by the way. This is one thing which was very adorable about her is she's very emotionally connected. Even in the villa, Sadaf used to cry the most. Sadaf used to get angry the
Really?
most.
Not Kyra?
No. Sadaf really used to get hurt.
like upcoming episodes, you will see there's so many moments she's like,
Even Kyra was like very similar that way, very
Yeah.
emotional that way. Kyra also would really, if something upset her, she would weep
Cry.
next level. These two, in that aspect, were very this one.
Yeah.
But Sadaf used to turn red when she'd cry. I remember.
most of the time,
completely
yaar.
pink she'll turn, and then I
मुझे
used
लग
to
रहा है
be sad.
अस्मिता के अलावा सारी लड़कियों को उसने नोटिस किया है.
नहीं, अस्मिता को भी
greenest flag, Ron.
अस्मिता को इतना notice, and I somewhere
इससे
feel
पूछो.
both of them actually liked each other.
इससे पूछो, in the villa, I was always behind Asmita. There was never a time where I was like, like even लोगों को थोड़ा सा डाउट लगने लगा था कि मे बी मैं अस्मिता को छोड़ने जा रहा. Asmita was there means I was there. It was very sorted that way. My mind was very set that way.
If you get a chance now to sort it out with her, would you like think of?
Not really, I'll tell you, because it's too much drama, na Shreya. That's the thing. I like the fact that I got my audience and I got a set of people who notice me and stuff like that. But I am not really that much desperate to grow my audience and get to a certain followers, because I know this is just one step of the way. मुझे समझ में आती है कि ये रियलिटी शो करके मेरा जिंदगी खत्म नहीं होने वाला है, इससे आगे भी जाना
Yeah,
है.
this is just the
So I'm good. I'm good. I'm taking it one step at a time. I'm good with how much I've gotten. I'm not asking for more. This is stupidity. Every other day you're trying to find a new person to fight with. And the saddest part is she came to the success party. There's no one to speak to her because you're busy bitching about everyone on Instagram, right? You're so busy. There's literally no one. She went and started speaking to Anushka, and you and Anushka are fighting from day one. Me and Mohit are starting talking to each other like, ये देखो ये बकचोदी जो चल रही है. और इसके वजह से हम पछता रहे थे from the very beginning. These guys have just come there, they have their thing. For them, it's not about a human relationship, it's not about empathy, it's not about what we connect to. It is more about अभी ये conversation में इससे मैं फायदा कैसे उठाऊं. अगर हमारे बीच में अगर आपने कुछ भी बोल दिया मुझे, मैं जाके अभी Instagram पे निकालूंगा. Same thing happened with the Akanksha.
That is one of the reasons why we connected, because we left the part where we had to leave long time ago. So I knew for a fact that I just saw the episode. I was so mad at him that he said that तेरे को ditch किया है मैंने, reject किया है. मैं सोच रही थी कि ये कब हुआ है? We've grown past that situation. तो मैं इसको मेरे को गुस्सा आया, बट मैंने सोचा कि ये हो गया है ऑलरेडी, इस पे गुस्सा करके भी क्या फायदा.
What is the
उसका मतलब होगा मना, मैंने उसको मना किया. हाँ. बट उसका भी हिंदी इंग्लिश का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है.
नहीं उस टाइम पे ना, I'll tell you honestly, at that time आप ना शर्ट टच करो रस्सा ला. ठीक है, मैंने टच करो. मेरा भी
ऐसे
अभी तो 100 बार कर दिया ऐसे ऐसे. देखो,
he's the new stripper, I feel, in the market.
He's worn that, like, good that he wore this linen material.
I get very hot, okay, and last time I wore like a full formal outfit. बहुत seriously कपड़े पहन के आता हूँ और वो और ज़्यादा uncomfortable लगता है. So today I'm just like full casual, breathable, थोड़ा सा.
You're beach ready right now.
I'm
or
full
bitch ready.
I know, beach ready. After the show, no bitch ready.
You're bitch ready.
No, I'm good.
Okay, I want to come back to you.
Okay.
What is your equation with Diptanshu?
There's no equation.
Did you know that he was dating somebody else?
No. He
Because a lot of
he
people-
tried telling me.
He tried telling, like
Yeah,
he knew.
For example, he comes and tells me, Sandy, he has a girl outside. He kept talking about her in Paisa Villa. So you should know, this is that exact situation where something happened between us, and when Ron came to talk to me, he was Papa talking about Asmita, I was talking about Deep. We wanted our partners only at the end of the day. It's just that it felt like, oh, he came to talk to me, I came to talk to him, and he told again, he spoke about his girlfriend in Paisa Villa. You did say that, right?
Yeah. No,
Now,
no.
I just wanted to confirm whether he said girl, bandi, ya someone
Diptanshu
who
was
he likes.
very open about this girl from the very beginning.
Yeah, because a lot of people have told me this कि उसका पता था बहुत सारे
Yeah.
लोगों को.
So पैसा विला लोगों को उसने कहीं ना कहीं हिंट दिया था.
Because Kiona also said कि मुझे तो clearly पता था, Diptanshu ने बोला था मेरी बंदी है भाई,
But
तो मैं यहाँ game के
he
लिए
used to
आया हूँ.
brag about it.
Yes, Kiona told me this when we were shooting the podcast. I think it's on the podcast. I don't know.
What did she
it's
say?
There on the
That
podcast.
Kiona knew that.
Kiona
Deep
and a
had
lot of
girl.
people
Arey, he
knew.
used to brag about it sitting with everyone. That was his thing. He loved talking about this Aryanshi girl. He loved talking about
Every time
how many
I heard
followers,
this conversation,
how many
I just
followers
get-
she had. He loved talking about her lifestyle. He admires her.
Oh, I love that.
Okay, but my question was the same. अभी तू इधर क्या कर रहा है फिर?
हाँ.
है ना? तो his reasoning was मैं अपना career बनाने के लिए आया हूँ इधर.
I totally agree. Okay, चलो तुम करियर बनाने के लिए आए थे. When you know me as a person, I would still respect you if you would have told you have a girlfriend outside. He said, माँ कसम, मेरा 1.5 month हो गया है ब्रेकअप होके. सोचो कि अभी मेरा गर्लफ्रेंड होती तो वो मुझे क्यों बेचती स्प्रिट्सविला के अंदर. When he's talking all of these things, I don't care what Ron is telling, no, at that point. To be very honest, if Ron is telling, or Mohit is telling, or Sadaf is telling, Anisha is telling, why would I listen to them when he is telling like, नहीं हमारा ब्रेकअप हुआ है. तुम 100 जगह पे जाओ बोलो कि मैंने सैंडी को बोला. आपने सैंडी को क्या बोला है वो बताओ.
Did you feel that connection
With
Like,
him?
yeah.
I guess it was a little one-sided.
from yours? Like
Yeah.
you were
Still
into
one-sided.
him.
What
Shut-
are you
shut
saying? I used to see it so much. Poor thing. I used to come and talk to her about the same thing also. There was a moment in the first time when we even had that conversation in the bathroom is because I felt sad for her, because see why we connected was because we are both very giving people. When we get into this whole relationship and boy and girl kind of drama, na, both of us are very take care
And
of
we
you.
keep
I'll
that-
make sure is okay.
yeah.
Why you guys are not dating then?
That you should ask her. No.
No, I mean, I said I don't mind dating you outside the show.
Now you guys are out.
I guess he is also planning for doing something in acting career, and I know that if I just involve in a relationship right now, मेरा काम बिगड़ जाएगा.
ऐसा
अभी.
कुछ नहीं है. it's
No.
bullshit. Like,
Right now
you can be in a relationship and you can
absolutely
also
not.
work and grow
The thing
together.
is,
What are you guys talking about?
the-
Yeah, I
Same
mean,
thing.
I'm trying to match
But
you
Shreya,
guys,
the
like,
show
मैं इधर
was-
रिश्ता-
ये coffee with,
रिश्ता बनाने के लिए बैठी हूँ.
Shreya.
शो इतना ज्यादा ये हो गया था ना, इसके बाद कमिंग आउट, let's make experiences together outside the show. First thing. Second, if I date her right now, one, it's too soon for us to do anything because one, we have to still take away from that show. Second thing, she has her own career to figure out. I have my own career to figure out. जैसे कि आपने
Even
बोला
though
था,
we live like
Yeah,
he
yeah,
lives
yeah.
right behind my
So
house.
do you guys like each other? Like, do you think that there is something going on or can happen?
if I'm honest with you, Shreya, I told the same thing to her. I admire her, but I have been too fucked up after the show to date anyone. And I'm saying this with full honesty. I am happy being alone right now because the last
you
time.
love the female attention. that
No,
you're
not
getting.
even the
Yeah,
female
yeah, of
attention.
course.
That of course I love. But the last time I actually tried to put my heart and soul into making a relationship work was on Splits, and that thing hurt like a bitch. I'm telling you honestly, it hurt because everything got shattered. I came out, my ego was gone, my self-respect was gone. 2-3 years of what I spent trying to build myself in Bombay,
that
sub
was
zero ho
gone.
chuka tha.
Same for me as well.
So you had to fucking figure out what to do and start building up again. So I am good. It's not about Saundarya or it's not about any other girl. मेरे को अभी relationship में घुसने का नहीं. Until I figure out my life and try to see if I can do something else with it. And कर लिया यार dating show. We gave it a try ना. Best part I can tell you is both of us actually honestly gave it a try. I saw her in the villa as well. So good. So sweet as a girlfriend. Like I should see how she would treat Diptanshu. And then I would be like, this is the kind of treatment I want. But I would never get it. Unfortunately, हमारा choices भी ऐसा ही था. And both of us are people who work towards a relationship. हमारा scene ऐसा नहीं है कि गलत choice चुन लिया तो बदलेंगे. It's like if I've chosen to date you, that means I have something in mind for you. We will fix it. So that is why we try to stick through to the end. Even I was not happy with Asmita, but we tried to
You
fix it.
should give it a chance because honestly, I'm going to tell you something. In Bombay, it's very difficult to have a relationship, but you need one because अच्छा लगता है. Like, there's no distraction involved. You are there in the relationship. You are building each other. You're growing together. So if you feel a connection, that then you should definitely take it ahead because नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ पर. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं बाद में करूँगा, वो बात कभी आता ही नहीं. A lot of people are lonely here. A lot of people are struggling with their relationships, and trust me, I've seen that.
But I'm willing to take that risk because the last time I did
Yeah,
it in the
take
show
your time.
was horrible.
But if you feel something, don't like try to suppress
No,
it.
no, no, no,
To
no.
be very honest, very honest, when that moment will come, it will very come.
Yeah, it
when
will
it comes
happen
very
naturally.
naturally.
I don't have to force you guys into
I
it,
mean,
but
no, you just
love
put
is a
that.
very
You did
beautiful
seeding
thing.
to us about it to think
Yeah,
about
yeah.
it. But the thing is, both of us are not in that zone yet because we are still not out of Splitsvilla.
Yeah.
Because I still have some. I'm not saying that it was just one-sided with Diptanshu. Diptanshu had a very different side of showing love. I can't expect him to love the way I want him to love me. He had a very different side. He would not fight for me in front of people. He would take revenge behind their back just for me. For example, the split coins ka scene. He just asked me to go inside. He didn't know. Like I had told him that मैंने ये mess up किया है, but he didn't know I would take this, this whatever I did, the jugaad of the split coins or everything. I told him, but it was too late when he got to know. But he just sent me inside. He fought for me with hundreds of people there. It's even though that 10-15 they are equivalent to 100 at that point, okay?
Yeah.
And he kept that respect and everything. And he told, don't tell anybody that you have come and told me so and so, which he also accepts. So there are very different scenarios where I felt that he did feel. That's why I'm not some fool to just go all out there when I'm not getting anything in return.
Of course. Like,
So there was something.
because
but
the way you said it कि भाई मैं 100 भी try कर लूंगी जब तक मुझे I'm not happy, I'll keep exploring.
Yes.
And that's the best part, that you were so vocal and like out there about
that
it.
पांच नहीं
और उसके बाद भी अगर तुम्हें फील नहीं होगा तो तुम डेफिनेटली, मुझे नहीं लगता तुम वैसी लड़की हो कि फील नहीं हो रहा उसके बाद भी लगी हुई है. You would have left that person and went ahead with somebody
But
else.
even up
Right.
to this date, I tell her the same thing. Picking Diptanshu over me was the best choice she did in the game. Trust me.
He
when I
did
this.
say that,
It's
yeah.
the best choice. The moment she came out, I told her. We were feeling sad about what happened because, see, both of us somewhere wanted the connections also to work. We just
Yeah.
didn't go to do well in the game, na. So we bonded over that and we used to have those conversations. But somewhere one day
we
I told
stopped
her,
talking.
I told her straight though, like choosing Diptanshu at that moment of time, maybe it wasn't in your mind, maybe you didn't think it through, but naseeb तुम्हारे साथ था, because that helped you a lot, because both of them actually did pretty fucking well later on as well. They were, once they got into the flow, where he was lacking, she was completing. So that kind of made sense.
So do you love him now?
No.
You've moved on.
Of course. I love so many people right now. Like मेरे को किसी से साइकिल पे अच्छे से एक बंदा जा रहा है, मुझे उसको देख के उससे प्यार हो जाता है.
या एक लड़का अभी फोटो खिंचाया, कितना क्यूट है ना. What is it? Like what's happening to you, Sandy? Control your hormones.
Because for me it's the aura.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter if he's going in the cycle or BMW, it's the aura that I see, that aura in that person, that smile, those sparkly eyes of the man. It just fascinates me.
So you'll be okay if a fan comes up to you and he's like, I'm interested in you. Would you be okay dating that fan?
Why would he just come up to me and say I'm interested?
What if he
बोल
does?
सकते हैं यार. What if that person is interested and he's a fan? Would you date him?
And he's cute also, by the way.
I'm okay.
रिश्ते की लाइन लगाओ.
Soundarya Shetty, open for Ristas.
Ron is so offended right now. He's like, I don't want to date. I want to focus on my career, but I'm ready to date
Who
a
knows?
fan.
He's some diamond merchant who's a fan of me, who's working in some big enterprise or something, as an entrepreneur. You never know, but he likes me.
Yeah.
I
He
like
just-
the
you
tone
know
she
what the
set
fan
up,
told?
Diamond merchant. From there I like औकात वहाँ पर है अभी. Very proud of you, Baba. सही है.
उस लड़की ने क्या बोला अभी जो बंदा आया, मेरी मम्मी को आप पसंद हो.
That was sweet. हाँ,
That was it, man.
Good.
मैंने हाथ मिलाया.
वैसी लड़की
नाम
गोल्ड
बताओ.
के नाम से बदनाम है. एटलीस्ट गोल्ड वाले को तो डेट कर.
हंसाना चाहिए उसको, हंसाना आना चाहिए. पैसे कैसे भी करके कमा लेंगे.
He's not funny.
He is funny. He's funny. He's very.
You're trying to get her to say bad things about me. She'll not say. Trust me. I'll tell you why.
No, why would I?
It was a matter of just circumstance, nothing else. At that moment in that
Now
day.
you guys have become best friends.
Yeah, we're good friends. Like I will always look out for her. She will always look out for me. We don't necessarily hang out every day, but we choose not to.
For example, he loves going to the beach, reading books, going on bike rides. That's the same interest that I have. It's just that we're not doing it together. We're doing it separate. These were the conversations we were having.
Let me arrange something for you.
Switch to the outside.
We will still enjoy. You also come in.
Yeah. We'll still have the.
He will have.
I know.
Ron has a charming side also, huh?
I want to get back to that. तुम्हें नहीं पता था कि दीप्तांशु is dating somebody
मैं यहाँ
else.
से बता रही हूँ, मुझे नहीं पता है. वो वहां से बता रहे, सैंडी को सब कुछ पता है.
Because उसने एक और पॉडकास्ट पे बोला, because there are so many podcasts happening right now, तो बहुत सारे स्टेटमेंट्स लगा रहे हैं. उसने बोला कि ऐसा कुछ कि लोग शो में नहीं दिख रहे तो वो ऐसी बातें करेंगे ताकि वो बाहर दिखे. I think this was somebody else, but तुम्हारे सवाल पे ये था कि उसको तुम्हें पता था कि दीप्तांशु is dating.
Okay. मुझे पता था. Show will speak for itself, and how much ever I say मुझे नहीं पता, I don't want to play that card at all. मुझे ऐसे उसको बुरा नहीं दिखाना है, that is मेरा feelings के साथ खेल के मुझे छोड़ दिया वैसा. Okay, it's fine, I understand, but I did like him. I genuinely liked him, and he liked me in a very different way on the show. Something must have happened at some point of time where ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है कि आप शो से निकलो और 5 दिन में ही आप का एक गर्लफ्रेंड है.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, it is very difficult to accept. तो आपने मेरे से बोला कि आपका गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है. शो के 5 दिन में आप स्टोरी लगा रहे हो आपकी गर्लफ्रेंड के साथ जो आपने बोला कि आपकी एक्स है. तो मैं अभी मुझे बताओ आपको क्या लगता. So one guy is there with you on the show.
Yeah.
Okay. He said, I have an ex. We have not spoken to each other. It was very little. She was not able to move on from her ex-girlfriend and everything. वही कि वो बोल रहा है कि मैंने बोला है, मैं बोल रही हूँ कि नहीं बोला है, वही चीज़ चल रही है अभी. तो क्या कर सकते हैं, अभी नहीं बोला, अभी वो खुश है तो that is what it matters. And whatever happened in the show, and if I'm posting pictures or videos or something, I deserve to post it. Because you were with me for a reason, right? Yeah. You're not celebrating, you're not posting, it's okay. But I will do my job. I know you have a girlfriend, but let me just do it for the sake of doing it because I want to do it. Because we had a very good time on the show. Yeah. So, once the show is over, obviously, like, bye.
Yeah, of course. If like fans are making your edits and you're looking nice in their edits, how will you crop him out?
Right. But he's cropping me out though. He's making sure my shadow is also not the left, right, center.
That's his choice.
Right.
You made a choice.
So why were you with me?
हाँ.
So why were you with me if you didn't wanted all of this thing as a package?
And also Khushi also said something like that कि विला में उसको ऐसे यहाँ पर कुछ touch वच कर रहा था.
Well, not in an inappropriate way. Probably while
Like
they were
getting
talking.
close and very
Yeah, very physical. You must have seen that swimming pool ka date scene also,
Yeah.
no? He was very close. It's not in an inappropriate way. Like probably is like, ऐसे हो गया होगा. And I don't know in which intensity it has happened because I was not there.
Yeah.
Because Kushi is a dear friend of mine. If she's come out and said that, I don't know in what intensity, but I don't think so. The intentions were wrong. But she's also telling she didn't know that he had a girlfriend. How is that only Kiona knows that he had a girlfriend? And yeah, 90% of
He
the
was
splits
open
will
with the boys. He was
Yeah,
open with all
boys
the
को
boys.
बताया होगा.
All the boys he was open with. He got.
He should have told me. Nothing would have happened. I wouldn't have called him out. I wouldn't be like, hey, तेरी तो girlfriend है बाहर. ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है.
You would have at least explored somebody else, or you would have went with somebody else, or you wouldn't have felt that way. हाँ यार मतलब कुछ और कर लेती ना अगर आपको उस he's leading you on and then pretending कि
Yes,
उसको पता
yes.
था it's very wrong.
It is wrong. Definitely it is wrong, and he himself knows it is wrong. But I guess we are past it. Like कितना हम उसको बोले
Same पे बात
कि गलत है ये है वो है. I'm just bored. Ask me about something else.
Okay, I'll ask you something else then. Okay. There is another person on the show, Akanksha.
Okay.
And she's getting a lot of fame. But there are people who are saying कि Akanksha की जो stories है, it's not matching.
Right.
Like एक podcast में उसने बोला कि सैंडी वहाँ ताली बजा रही थी, but हामिद के vlog में ऐसा दिखाया कि आप ताली नहीं बजा रहे थे. वहाँ पर सब ताली बजा रहे थे.
Right, right.
Like everybody was laughing, everybody was having fun when Ruru entered. So what do you have to say about that? And what do you have to say about that? Like, same question. for
I
both of you.
feel like, for example, whenever the episode gets aired, let's say Friday, Saturday, Sunday, she comes live on Thursday.
Okay.
And then she sets a narrative from her point of view. कि सब रो रहे थे. सनी मैम के आंखों में आंसू थे, करण सर के आंखों में आंसू थे, सब रो रहे. सैंडी उठी एकदम से और सैंडी ने ताली बजाना चालू किया. चलो मैंने ताली बजाना चालू किया. Maybe I was a little inhuman. But what about others who are like clapping there? What about Yogesh himself who was clapping and making a fun of the situation or whatsoever? So why me? Why me? So she set this narrative. So what happens when somebody watches the episode on Friday? They are just waiting for my scene where I'll just get up and I'll start clapping. And then the whole Instagram is like, मेरे clap बजाने से सारा Instagram हिल चुका है कि मैंने क्लैप बजाए भाई.
तो उसको कैसे पता कि एपिसोड में ताली बजाने वाला तुम्हारा शॉट डालेंगे कि
वो जो पहले वाला एपिसोड जो आने वाला है उसमें नेक्स्ट एपिसोड करके दिखाएंगे. सो आगे देखिए.
अच्छा, प्रोमो
में मैं कहीं तो क्लैप बजा रही हूँ या मैं हंस रही हूँ पागलों के जैसा, कुछ भी कर रही हूँ, मजे कर रही हूँ. मैं थ्रोन पे बैठ के मैं मजे करने के लिए आई हूँ और मैं ताली बजा भी दी मैंने. ठीक है, तब तक तो योगेश ने उसको छोड़ा भी नहीं है. कुछ हुआ नहीं है. योगेश हैज नीदर चोजन रूरू नॉर आकांक्षा. सो मैं ताली बजा. उसके पहले हमारा बहुत गंदा झगड़ा हो गया था जो इतना सा दिखाया है. बट वी वर कंटिन्यूसली फाइटिंग. मी, आकांक्षा, योगेश, वी वर कंटिन्यूसली फाइटिंग बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली ही वोटेड दीप्तांशु आउट. Like, why would you vote Diptanshu out when there were so many other options? Like, why Diptanshu?
Yeah.
Obviously, because he was my connection. So obviously, I will be happy when Ruru enters. It's natural. Like, if I clapped, yes, I did clap. Then she goes to another podcast and she told, अभी जो डांस का ये हुआ है, सब रो रहे, सनी मैम रो रही है, करण सर रो रहे, सारे मेकर्स रो रहे और ये रो रहे, वो रो रहे, but सैंडी उठ के ताली बजा रही है.
But you were not clapping.
Exactly.
Like Diptanshu एक moment पे he was laughing
Because
like
Gullu
this.
was making fun.
Gullu is like that.
Gullu is like
Laughing
that.
at-
उसको हर
wait,
जगह पे हंसी आता
Which
है.
day
He
are you
just-
talking about? This is the entertainment
Yes,
night.
entertainment task में
जब वो
Gullu-
reveal हुआ that he loves Ruru.
Arey, that was just
Gullu is a funny guy.
Yeah,
He is passing comments there. That's why Diptanshu is laughing. Apart from that, everybody was sad for a very long time because उनका जो वो scene है तीनों का ट्रायो का वो चला है 4-5 घंटे. तो बहुत सैड हो गई थी. साइड से सुजैन रो रही थी. आई वॉज कन्फ्रंटिंग सुजैन एंड आई क्राइड. आई ऑलमोस्ट क्राइड. मैं ऐसे बैठ के मैं रो रही थी. नॉट बिकॉज लाइक मुझे थोड़ा बुरा लगा उस टाइम पे बिकॉज आई एम ऑल्सो अ ह्यूमन. बट every time I'm sad for her, every time I'm concerned for her, she just changed the narrative. Like Sandy ने ताली बजाई, वो clearly दिख रहा है मैंने ताली नहीं बजाई है वहाँ पे. So what do you want, bro? Like trust me, what do you want? Like do you want to like clear it? Or you just want to keep doing this? Every day I'm waking up, आकांक्षा ने ये बोला. Every time I'm waking up, आकांक्षा ने वो बोला. पार्टी बंद हो गया, बोल रही है लाइव में. उसके बाद पॉडकास्ट में जाके बोल रही है कि पार्टी मैंने बोला ही नहीं कभी पार्टी बंद हुआ है. सो आपका जो झूठ वाला स्क्रिप्ट है करेक्ट पढ़ो और सारे पॉडकास्ट में एक ही झूठ बोलो. अभी खुद के पैर में कुल्हाड़ी मार ली उसने. दैट ये तो होना ही था उसका. शी एक्सपोज्ड हरसेल्फ. Nobody had to. I didn't have to expose her. Neither the contestants had to expose her. She just exposed herself by lying everywhere. And that too on like subscription live. Where you obviously, yeah, get paid for it. She's not even crying in her normal life anymore.
Yeah, you pay extra for the tears.
Yeah, $3.99, $6.99.
आई रोना है तो अभी पैसा लेके ही रोना पड़ेगा.
I can also cry, know that उसको तो पता चल गया अभी. उसको तो पता चल गया कि योगेश is gonna choose Ruru and everything. I have been with Diptanshu for 2 months on the show.
And then you got to know.
And then I mean like, not then. It was a very slow process. By the end of the game, I just realized that his words were not matching with his actions. I agree with the fact that he said he has not given me a commitment, he has not given me false hope or whatsoever, blah, blah, blah. And he also mentioned a lot of things that we decided to make videos outside or something. Nothing like that was happened.
Okay.
We never decided what would happen outside the show because we were not at all sure about it. But somewhere I just, okay, बाद में eventually in the season, we stopped talking. So we were only meeting 10 minutes prior to the challenge.
Okay.
We completely stopped communicating. The only issue was communication. I was tired of explaining, like communicate with me, talk to me, communicate with me. I got nothing, like zero. So I was like, friends bhi chodo, sab chodo. I do not want to talk to you. Let's play for whatever the sake of playing. So just 10 minutes prior to the task, he used to come, Sandy, Sandy, and he used to hold my hands and everything. And then I'm like, okay, chalo, usko karna hai, I'm okay with this. I don't have any expectations.
So you
from
were
him.
clear that he was there for the game, and then after a certain point you realized
Eventually, like way later, because this probably was a 50-day shoot. Let's say I realized at the 40th or 45th day ki something.
It was a 40-day shoot.
Yeah, he broke down eventually. Like he misses his mom and he misses somebody very special and everything. He just broke down. Yeah.
that. Men in love.
Huh?
Men in love.
And I must appreciate one thing. He was really protecting somebody from the outside. And I do respect, man.
Who? Like his girlfriend?
Maybe. And he was protecting somebody constantly. And I could feel it that there is somebody that he's trying to protect.
Kaise matlab? How was he protecting? Like he kept calling her, he kept checking on her.
No, not like that. It was... So for example, he said... how was it? Something else was coming out from his mouth, but actions were very different. Imagine you were with somebody 2 months on the show and you are not intimate with that person. Like even holding hands, small gesture like putting your hair back, tucking it behind your ears, or maybe touching the face. I am not asking him to make out with me. I'm just talking that small gestures.
Like he was saying that he likes you, but he was not doing something that actually shows that he likes you.
Yes, it was like, oh Sandy, आपको dance आती है, चल हम तो challenge जीतने वाले हैं. You understand the whole scenario? It was like that. Maybe when you're sitting, you're just looking into each other's eyes and you know it is going somewhere. Nothing like that has happened. It was just for like, he's thinking कि कल डोम में कौन जाने वाला है, कौन निकलने वाला है. He was constantly scared and he just wanted to survive. तू तो रहेगी, what if I go? All of
this. He used
this.
to calculate everything.
Yeah, most
So
of the
you
time.
think that he actually loves Aryanshi and he's good for her?
Yes.
Okay. That's nice.
They should be together. And there are a lot of things in a lot of podcasters also. I said if I were his girlfriend outside, if I would see somebody who just got back to me 5 days later to the show and was with somebody else that close. We look very close on the show and I think that is real. That is real. Whatever was between me and Diptanshu was real. For example, I was in her place and my guy came back saying that, I didn't do anything on the show or anything. And then literally after 5 days, he's back to her and I'm watching the episode. I don't think so I would have trusted that man.
वो देखो बहुत सारी चीजें अलग भी होती हैं लाइक वो ये भी बोल सकता है कि यार मैं तो करियर बनाने गया था तो स्प्लिट्सविला में थोड़ा बहुत एक्टिंग तो करना पड़ता है
मुझे उसने मैनिपुलेट किया है, उसको
तो मे
नहीं
भी
कर
किया
सकता है.
उसको भी कर तो डेफिनेटली वुड हैव
And God genuinely saved me from someone like that. I mean, he's good for her, but not for me. Yeah, and he's very calculative in all his podcasts. He's very nice and very calculative while speaking because obviously he's giving his podcasts over 3 months, right? Yeah, after the show, he's very calculative, very nice, talking nice things about me. But I will talk nice things about you, but what is the truth is the truth.
Yeah,
I
you
just
can
don't
change
want to
that.
be completely diplomatic about how I felt or something. Whatever I felt for was real. He's also saying it is real. And it could be, why am I denying it? चलो बाद में जाके वो हुआ नहीं at the end of the game or whatever it is. But बाहर जाके भी हुआ नहीं वो चीज़. But okay, you just don't like I will speak the truth and you don't just speak lie about me. That's the rule.
Okay,
Yeah.
fair. What do you have to say about this?
What do I have to say about this? So many things you've spoken about. What exactly?
What were we talking about?
Akansha's
the
is the
Akanksha
first
thing
thing.
and the Diptanshu thing.
So Akansha's thing, same. Everyone was laughing. Everyone was having their fun time. Okay, सब इतने पछता रहे थे. Suddenly योगेश का कुछ ज़्यादा हो रहा है तो everyone's happy. It's not that nobody is not happy. So shocking as well, surprising as well, because we had a feeling some wild card will come. So we thought Yogesh would be the first one, and then everyone else's one will start coming, X's or someone. You never know na how the scene is when you're in the game. But then turns out it was only Yogesh's. थोड़ा सा बुरा लगा सबको when we saw the whole thing happen. That I love you thing on stage was very uncomfortable. That moment.
That was.
I've also heard in another podcast that वो बोलना नहीं चाहता था. Makers ने बोला है कि बोलो I love you बोलो on stage.
Oh no!
No.
He is in love
They said-
with Ruru.
Yeah.
He's gaga for Ruru, and we seeing him like that with someone, we were in shock
He is fully into
because the
it.
chemistry that he had with Akanksha is like very, like kiddish, very kiddish. But with Ruru, it's intense. It's not like oh मैं योगेश को जानती हूँ बाहर से, रूरू को जानती हूँ बाहर से, but you can see if it is real or not, right? हमारा तो हमें नहीं दिख रहा था, दूसरों का दिख रहा था हमें, and
But no, then again, the same situation. ना देखो, रूरू का वही था that they have lived together for the last couple of months. They have had a relationship and they've had a
or Sashi,
they've had like
Rich
an
man, bro.
Yeah.
A model.
trying
merchant,
trying
diamond
Trying or
merchant,
trying?
merchant,
Merchant, diamond merchant.
diamond
Diamond
merchant, cycle, huh? Sandy fan fan. Yeah.
हाँ मैं क्या बोल रहा था this yeah Ruru they've lived together so
Yeah.
obviously वापस आएगी this boy is obviously going to run back to her he's also about 22 or something उसका क्या ही कर सकते हो his and Akansha's thing was they were two cute people who liked each other that's it was developing into something else but when Ruru came back Yogesh couldn't handle it उसके बाद believe it or not, even Yogesh's even idea in terms of game and how to win and all those things he slowly let go of हमें समझ में आ रहा था कि ये बच्चा सच में
What do you think?
पसंद
Was it really planned? Because I think there was some posts on the
Yeah.
internet कि first इन्होंने Halloween साथ में मनाया है. They've partied together on her birthday and she was wearing his favorite dress and stuff like that. A lot of people are saying it's pre-planned and he knew that Ruru might enter the show. तो अगर उसको पता था तो आकांक्षा को इतना देना ही नहीं चाहिए था ना. Like if you know somebody is going to enter the show, तुम इतना connection build कर लोगे तो सामने वालों को तो definitely hurt ही होगा.
Of course.
कि तुम
yeah.
किसी और को choose करोगे.
Correct. But then again, वही है ना, to survive in the show, to do well in the show, you have to have a connection. You have to have a connection.
मैं starting से बोल
You
रही
can't play
थी.
without a connection on the show.
But fooling somebody else is also not right. ना?
But again,
At least be honest about it कि यार देखो मेरा ऐसा कुछ है हो सकता शायद उसकी वजह से तुम्हारा कनेक्शन ना बने पर एटलीस्ट ये तो बताते कि मेरी एक्स थी और
शायद
जिससे
नहीं,
इतना
That
था.
is exactly something I
शायद
was
कनेक्शन
thinking
ना
about.
बने, कौन लेगा वो रिस्क? अगले टास्क में तुम्हें परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा और
नहीं,
वो
but
टास्क एंड ऑफ द डे होता है.
ये कैसे मैटर करता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम टेलिंग द अदर पर्सन दैट लिसन बिफोर दिस आई हैव डेटेड समबडी इट वाज अ वेरी लाइक
Intense,
deep relationship and now I'm trying to move on and I feel that you're the right person because I feel a connection. That's being honest with the other person.
Yeah, but that's
अगर तुम उसको उसमें रख रहे हो कि भाई मेरा तो था ही नहीं, बहुत पुराना था, तो she was not even prepared. At least
There was a lot of dishonesty from
Yeah.
his end.
That he should have
And
told,
she has retaliated in the equal amount on the show. Okay? Like from being sad to being crying to being angry to revenge, there is a process. सब हो गया है.
Akansha also took
जो
out nicely.
बाहर आके आप जबरदस्ती चीजें कर रहे हो जो चीज हो गई है. So she exactly, Akanksha knows exactly what she's doing. Yogesh knows what exactly he's doing, and on the other hand, Ruru also knows what exactly all three are doing together.
You need to elaborate on this.
मैं
Because I
थोड़ा
didn't get
elaborate
it.
ना कैमरा के सामने करते हैं, ठीक है. हमने शो 3 महीने पहले शूट किया है. जो भी झगड़ा आप देख रहे हो चुका है. हमने झगड़ा कर लिया, तसल्ली भी हो गई, बातें भी हो गई, फिनाले भी शूट हो गई है, सब खुश है, पार्टी भी क्या साथ में. अभी जो आप देख रहे हो लाइव पे जो लोग झगड़ा कर रहे हैं वो प्योरली बस एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पसेस की वजह से कर रहे हैं. उसका ये मतलब नहीं कि उनको सच में कुछ हर्ट हुआ है, उनका ये मतलब नहीं कि उनको कुछ हो भी रहा है या कोई एंग्जाइटी हो रहा है. सब नॉनसेंस है. उनके लिए बस यही है कि शो को प्रमोट करना है. अभी मेरा झगड़ा चल रहा है शो पे एंड दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन. इट हैज हैपेंड 3 months ago. If the participants are not putting in their effort towards this because we have moved on from it. We have other things to do. हम घर पे बैठ के शो नहीं देखते हमेशा. Thank you. हो गया.
हाँ, बीच में मैं खो गई थी, but you got me back.
I think
Okay,
it's
so
the
मतलब you're saying कि अभी आकांक्षा को इतना फर्क या बाकी कंटेस्टेंट को इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है, but just because something is happening in the show, they are following the narrative of this show.
Yes.
To like keep a track on it.
I feel
And
like
she has moved on. She's fine.
so. For
I
example,
don't know. I genuinely don't
for
know.
example, let's say I prayed in a certain house and I wouldn't burn it. In the same way, I feel like if she really loved Yogesh, she wouldn't do this. She wouldn't like retaliate in such a way publicly. She knew exactly what was going to happen to Yogesh on the internet. There was it's all a pattern that I'm just seeing. I feel like that it's going in that way. I feel like if she would really, I feel like her ego was hurt on the show. If you see all her interviews and stuff, she said that I have left men, I have love bombed men, I have done this. So on a national television, obviously somebody has chosen some other woman over you and your ego is hurt and it's coming out very strong on social media. And this is what I feel, this is my perspective. I don't care about the bot bashes that I'm gonna get on my Instagram, but this is the truth.
Why are you saying bot? Do you feel that?
Yeah, definitely. Let me just have one person who comes to me and says like, bro, I hate you.
But no, then you can't chalk it up to bots for that. Nah, that's because abhi it's easier for me to hate on you people if I'm sitting at home on my phone.
Every single
But मुंह पे
day.
कोई नहीं बोलेगा चीज.
हाँ, correct. Obviously, there's a lot of hating and there's a lot of PR going and then there's a lot of bot. And it's not that I'm on Instagram now. I'm on Instagram since 10 years. From 10 years, I'm using Instagram. So I know what are bots, what is PR and this and everything. I can quickly figure it out. I'm not saying the entire fame is fake that she's getting. There is something creepy in between. And
Okay,
it's not
all
just...
pre-planned. You're saying मतलब कुछ तो वो PR
अभी
करवा
उसके
रही
रेडी
है.
है. अब उसका रील्स अभी रेडी है. जब उसका वो अभी नैरेटिव सेट कर रही है कि आकांक्षा 2.0. किसने नैरेटिव सेट किया है ये?
But
What is Akanksha 2.0? So if you have taken the revenge, if you have shamed them, if you have told that you are the girl who you have gone with in the अगले वाले episodes or जो भी है, तो why did you act like an innocent girl before that and take sympathy if you knew that 2.0 is going to come?
because that's how she wants to promote.
She is exactly going according to the
episodes.
and she is creating narratives to the audience and they are not able to see it through their own eyes.
There's something else also that I've heard कि इनका आपस में भी बात हो रहा है.
मतलब
Like Yogesh and Akanksha, they're talking. But on the internet, she's posting reels that are against him.
Arey, but then Instagram only ruined the whole idea. No, now what are you talking about? Now you know what we're fucking complaining about? The stupidest thing. This is already a trend that is set. हमने देखा ये चीज. अब the moment I came out of Splitsvilla, I remembered how many what contestants did PR from the last season. उन्होंने कैसा अपना चीजें संभाला, कैसे अपनी growth हुए Instagram पे. तो उसके हिसाब से these guys are doing it. Akansha got one because she's pretty. She got a lot of followers. So the moment the Splitsvilla thing came out, only she started growing massive. Second, she was connection with Yogesh. So all of Yogesh's fan following from roadies came along, started supporting Akansha.
Absolutely.
Third, Yogesh dumped her in this whole idea with Ruru. She got too much sympathy out of it. Again, she got a lot of followers. Things working out in her favor. So she's making more money out of it. She's making more this one.
I totally understand she's making money out of it. You can't just it's okay to spread hate. Like, I hate her. I don't like her. I don't like her character. I don't like her this personality, the way she behaves, she gives expression. That is one side. You are just setting false narrative. Where is that moment where I just stood up, I said, "Yay, Ruru, oh, go for it." Where is that now? So it's completely a false narrative, right? So why are you coming up with false narrative? Say what happened on the show.
No, because she has to save her ass, na? That is the idea.
And
Why
now
do
she's
you-
exposed. She's genuinely exposed everywhere. मेरे को अभी जो जिन्होंने hate किया है वो मुझे आके प्यार कर रहे हैं. I'm happy, but the damage has already happened. I have got enough of hate and stuff for what? Because of her lie that she came and told in the Nurfi's party, the party got stopped, and then she's again justifying, saying that the party has not stopped. She said Sandy kept poking me. So either she will say the makers have cut the part, or she will say Suzanne was there. These are her top two comments. She'll say Suzanne वहाँ पे थी, Suzanne से पूछो, या makers ने cut किया है. These are her two top
लेकिन ये
dialogues.
सक्सेस पार्टी वाली स्टोरी
Yeah, I want to ask you
success-
what exactly happened in the success party.
Absolutely nothing.
Let him tell, because if
Yeah,
I
yeah,
tell
because people have heard your side of the
Sad
story.
story,
He
yeah.
was also there, so I want to ask him.
I'll tell you exactly
तुम
what
same
happened.
बोलती रहोगी तो you will get a
and I've
lot
not
of
had
hate
this
after
conversation
as
with
well.
Ron, by the way.
Yeah, I get it.
I have seen in one of the live session he said something. I guess he will.
हाँ अभी मैं imagine
मतलब मैंने उससे बोला ही नहीं है कि bro
I trust
fight नहीं हुआ है. I trust.
now this is called backstabbing. Sandy fully गलत थी. Sandy की वजह से हुआ है. आकांक्षा
Bro keep
ये
saying
promo
that.
है.
हाँ ये promo है.
हाँ, ये promo है.
मैं वही बोलने वाली थी.
Wait,
मैं
थोड़ा और
ऐसे
सीरियसली बोलता हूँ. Sandy was absolutely wrong. मुझे लगता है ना आकांक्षा सबसे सही थी इसमें. I can't believe what a horrible human being you are. You know that you're a
Imagine if we cut the other part that you will say nice things about her.
Yeah. Okay, I'll tell you
If I
exactly.
take my case now after that.
Imagine sitting beside me and
And saying,
saying all
yeah.
of these things. Yeah.
I'll tell you what exactly happened in the party. Nothing this big happened, okay? One, we were all sitting, talking, meeting after the villa first time. So everyone's having their own sweet thing. We're all partying, we're all having fun. She was chilling with me. And we have another friend of ours named Shrey. He's a creative producer there.
Yeah.
So me, her, Shrey.
Same friend that we all
हाँ,
have.
we're all just like having fun there. हमारा कुछ ऐसे था नहीं कि we have to figure out something or do something out of it. Yogesh and Ruru were having some fight in between. Ruru was very upset with Yogesh about something. So they were sitting and they were hashing things out and I don't know.
Right.
I thought that maybe Akansha started crying because of that. Because somewhere along the party towards the end, I saw Akansha crying. So I thought maybe because of this whole, because Yogesh and Ruru were, like Ruru was really crying, she was running out of the place and then Yogesh was running behind her and they were consoling each other. You know the whole relationship wala, jab jhagda hota hai to kya hota hai. They were being cute together. But I think that affected her little bit क्योंकि उसके बाद मुझे पता चला कि ये बैठ के रो रही है. सबने थोड़ा बहुत कंसोल किया यार पार्टी चल रही है म्यूजिक चल रहा है everyone's had a drink or two so we're all having a good vibe. We consoled her. She also went and gave her a hug. People took videos of it. That's it. That's literally it. There was no point where this girl went and said something. ये हुआ.
I like to be no मैं मुझसे आता था वो चीज़ but anyways I'm so shocked that he knows it. We never had this conversation. So exactly what happened was Ruru and Yogesh were not in like good terms. So Ruru basically wanted Yogesh to manafy and he came all the way from wherever he was, Jaipur वगैरह, just to see Ruru in that success party. Because whatever it is. So Ruru was like, you know, मेरा बंदा है, मुझे convince कर लेगा ये वो, उनका वो चल रहा था. जो प्यार उसको Instagram में मिल रहा है, पता नहीं, जो भी है आकांक्षा को, that didn't happen in real life.
In the party.
In the party. Exactly. Like, she felt zoned out. Like, she felt overwhelmed and she felt zoned out. She started having this emotional moment and everything. First in life, she told, ऐसा ऐसा हुआ, कोई मेरे को कंसोल करने नहीं आया. किसी ने कुछ भी नहीं किया. Second, there's this video that Sadaf sent me, which she said, like, do not put it out. Because I don't want it to become big. But I had to say that I didn't poke. She's hugging me in that video. And in that also, people are saying she's feeling uncomfortable. If she's uncomfortable, why will she hug me? Like, why will she do like this? She can say, Sandy, just stay away. I don't want to talk to you. And after consoling, after saying that I was also gone through the same thing that you have gone through on the show, let's move on. Let's forget about this, boys, and move on. These were my statements. Then Suzanne comes on live and Suzanne says like, वो ना washroom में झगड़ा हो गया. ठीक है वॉशरूम में झगड़ा हो गया, फिर से ये लाइफ पे आई, इसने बोला कि सबके सामने झगड़ा एकदम से ऐसा हो गया था कि मेकर्स वेकर्स आ गए और पार्टी बंद हो गई. कट टू अनदर लाइव वेयर शी इज अनदर पॉडकास्ट वेयर शी इज सेइंग लाइक मैंने कभी बोला ही नहीं ये बंद हुई है पार्टी वगैरह. इससे 2-3 लोग आए थे. उसके बाद वीडियो गया ऑनलाइन जहाँ पे मैं उसको कंसोल कर रही हूँ, बोल रही है कि वो तो आई थी ऐसे फेक कंसोल करने के लिए मुझे. तू इतनी है भी नहीं ब्रो, तुझे कोई मतलब यू आर नॉट इवन इन I don't want to say, but
अरे ठीक है अगर fake
I
person भी कर रही है
never considered her as my competition or of my level. So I will not go to bid or fight with her. I will only bid or fight with people if I feel that they're of my level and we have a competition. And for me, Akanksha was never a competition, never a threat, never a competition, not an enemy, nothing. I had nothing with her, so I totally get why she is poking me or why she's doing all of this, because she's seen me in a longer run on the show. So this is the best she can do to do all
Not
of this.
just
But
that,
this,
the rivalry she has on the show. Have you not noticed that also?
What?
You're the only rivalry she has on the
Yeah.
show. तो एक rivalry maintain करने का until the show gets over. This is also
and
basic.
it has made me extremely sad and depressing. There was a girl has never made me cry, you know, and every time I'm waking up, I'm checking Instagram, like something might change, something might come up, the truth will surface at some point of time and everything. And there was this time where I was like, I can't even, like me and my mom, we live in the same room, we share the room, I can't even cry. I don't have space to cry. हॉल पे जाऊंगी तो हॉल पे आ जाती है, रूम पे जाओ तो रूम पे आ जाती है. मैं सोच रही थी कि पर्दा डाल तो शी विल पुल इट आउट एंड शी सी इफ आई एम क्राइंग. देन देयर वाज दिस मोमेंट वेयर आई जस्ट broke down. I'm like, God, please tell me why she's doing it. Please tell me. And I just cried, and I just slept off. And I'm waking up in the morning. All the edits are there where she's saying something in the live, she's saying something else in the podcast.
Because I have seen something, I've noticed something. On the internet, she's getting a lot of fame. There are so many positive comments. But when I checked Reddit,
yeah,
people are talking about that the stories are not matching.
I do check Reddit.
Yeah, we all keep checking Reddit. I don't know these like people are genuine there, but they are at least talking about something that's
I
happening
feel
on the
the
show.
most genuine people, if there are some genuine people on the internet, it's on Reddit.
Reddit is always
It's
been
like
a platform.
real as hell.
मैं तो बोल ही नहीं सकती, मेरी तो गालियां ही खा रही होती हूँ मैं तो Reddit
यहाँ पे बॉट्स नहीं है,
Reddit
यहाँ पे
is-
बॉट्स नहीं है, यहाँ पे रियल लोग हैं जिनका रियल आइडेंटिटी है.
That's because your one user account is not tracked. Okay, people come on there with their own username. You
Yeah.
don't have to give shit to Reddit in order to make an account. अभी तुम जो भी बोलोगे सच ही बोलोगे ना फिर. And Reddit is that space where you get to hear the worst parts about yourself. That is the basic idea. of
I've
it.
also seen
Instagram
worst
will
part.
always have people who will praise you and this and that. But occasionally you'll get rape threats, death threats.
Occasionally.
This is very normal nowadays. I feel. हर reality show में चल रहा है.
I'm
by
not
the way.
okay with that, but I'm just not okay that they are
You
texting
shouldn't
my
be
mom
okay
and
with
my
it.
sister.
You should never be okay with it.
And my sister is suing left, right, center. They're all online till 3-4 a.m. fighting with these bots. I was like, these are bots, bro. What are you fighting with this?
You will just drain yourself if
Yeah.
you keep doing
These
that.
are
You need to
11, 12.
ignore them or just block them
My
and move
mom
ahead.
is asking me at midnight 3 o'clock कि वो जो poop वाला ये है ना emoji उसके लिए क्या डालते हैं करके. I was like, please don't do it, mom. These are like crazy ass people.
Yeah.
These are 11, 12
You will
year
not be able to deal with them because they are uneducated. Like these are bots. How do you like?
bots. These are 11,
Abuse
12
these
years old,
people.
12-year-old kids
I know.
who are
And
watching
also-
Splitsville on Geo Hotstar.
And also, I feel the same because a lot of people have got negative comments on my profile as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Like they keep abusing. अब उनसे कितना बहस कर लोगे आप?
नहीं हो सकता.
कीचड़ में आप कितना भी कर लो, सूअर
अरे,
जीत जाएगा.
मेरे को
because
बहुत
he's
बुरा
used
तो
to
लगता
that.
है
बहुत
ना,
मजेदार
थोड़ा सा
लगता है
बुरा
मुझे
तो
ये
लगता है
Of course.
at the end of the day.
I got so
You
much
are a
hate
very
for
strong
this.
person, but there are days when you feel so bad about it. मेरे को खुद होता
I
है.
put a reel with her and I started getting hate also immediately after that.
Me?
हाँ, geez, Sandy, why can't you be with Asmita? तुम कैसे इंसान हो?
But there's somebody who has done mine and Ron's wedding invitation. Today it is, by the way. Only Splitsvillans are allowed, huh? They have done actual this.
Am I allowed? I'm from MTV.
I don't know. Let's
you
see.
are.
Wait, you want me to check it out? She
Of
just
course
sent it
you
to
are.
me. The funniest thing ever. They actually made an
And like
invitation. with
it's like me and Ron are getting married and everything on
Yeah,
the
yeah,
internet.
yeah.
And they have made this. It's cute, but
It's very cute. सारे Splitsvillans को सारे लोगों को invitation है. रॉन कारेपा वेड सौंदर्या शेट्टी.
ये देखो.
Oh, how cute.
Very cute.
No,
Pictures हो जाते हैं. Pictures और एक heart.
और वो
The
वो
old
दिखाओ, वो
90s
photo,
वाला.
वो जो edit किया है ये.
Oh, South Indian photo भी डाल दे. रुक जाओ. ये देखो.
Send it to me. I'll put it in the podcast. Okay, we play a segment now.
Okay.
It's called Reddit Says What.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And आप मुझे बताइए आपको सही लग रहा है और उस पे
Thumbs
क्या
up
बोलना
or
है?
thumbs down?
Whatever you want to say about that.
Because that's the OG, na?
Oh
there.
damn, you got Reddit
OG
comments.
OG है. Okay, the first one is Sandy's behavior is really concerning. She should probably get help.
Thumbs up.
Why?
Everybody should get help. Not just me. With me, whoever is there, everybody should get help.
Getting
Like
help is
help?
not a bad thing. By the way.
Yeah, I would love to, if they are sponsoring, I would like to have like a 1-year membership for therapy.
Yeah, even I need that.
Yeah, because it will genuinely help me
जिस
grow.
हिसाब से hate comments आ रहे हैं,
This is
even
why
I need
therapy
that.
अरे
is
मैं
good.
कुछ भी करूँ तो अभी कमेंट ही आ रही है कि सैंडी ने दवाई नहीं खाई. वो जो मैं ऐसे ऐसे कर रही हूँ ना, दवा कुछ भी
You know,
डालो.
the audience का perspective is just so fickle. Like initially they loved you for that. Like they
Yeah.
kept commenting like I
Funny,
love whatever
yeah.
is wrong with her, something like that. And when something happens on the internet, they are like, oh, she should get help. आज दवाई नहीं खाई. Oh, she's a bad person. Oh, इसका boyfriend तो ये इससे परेशान.
Because somebody is setting a narrative about it. You understand what I mean? Somebody is setting a narrative कि शक्ल बना रही है ये which used to be funny before. Now they're setting a narrative because of which people also think like क्यों बना रही है? मैं ऐसे भी बना लेती हूँ, ऐसे चुपचाप बैठी होती हूँ तो भी शक्ल बना लेती हूँ. It just is on my face. If I'm sad, it's on my face. If I want to laugh, it's on my
You
face.
should say better. You know what, darling, I'm an actor. I'm expressive. तो मैं चेहरा बनाऊंगी. क्या करोगे अब? है ना?
Darling, I'm an actor. मैं चेहरा बना रही हूँ. Please accept it.
Ah, that's it. Perfect. Love it.
Okay. Ron is a red flag pretending to be a green one.
True.
True. I told this person. Yeah. I'm not a red flag. I'm a very avoidant guy. Like for me, the moment something puts me off, I'm out of there. Like you will not even know when I've left. For me,
But that's not being a red flag.
it's
That's
not
being
being
like
a red
I
flag.
can't take shit.
Yeah, I don't
in a
want to. I never
relationship.
took shit. But this whole relationship gave me a lot of shit. This splitswala wali relationship that we had to try. But otherwise, मेरा red flag behavior था क्या?
It's-
But weren't you guys prepared? Because there's so many things on the internet कि यार Splitsvilla में लोग सिर्फ fame के लिए जाते हैं. They
Bro,
go
I
there
have
for their
not
careers.
watched one episode.
Were you
of
not
Splitsvilla.
prepared for that?
No. We were also those audiences how we see that it looks real. हम भी वैसे ही देख के आए कि हो सकता है कि real है. वहाँ पे जो भी होता है वो 100% real है. These are our perspectives that
This
we are
is- yeah,
sharing.
this is-
वहाँ पे सब real ही हो रहा था हमारे साथ. ये बाहर आके आपको रहना है कि नहीं रहना है वो आपके डिपेंडेंट में है. But I feel like it was real. Even if they were fighting, it was also real. कि हाँ भाई तेरे साथ मुझे रहना है but झगड़ा नहीं करते. That was his motive.
Yeah.
But I guess she was not, she was confused.
She's always confused.
उसके साथ ही रहना है. I thought when I eliminated him, no, she will tell मुझे रॉन के साथ जाना है. He also mentioned it. जब मैं पैसाविला में था कि you know she was saying if Ron goes I will also go. So I am waiting for the moment where she says मैं भी जा रहा हूँ रॉन के साथ, but ऐसा हुआ नहीं.
वो तो पहले दिन पे ही बोल दी थी. That was the first day of the
can
shoot,
you
right?
imagine
And she said something
can you
like this.
imagine my confusion now? वो confused हो के मेरा क्या हो गया होगा? Because on the second day the same girl saying I'm going to leave for you, okay? And then later on the same girl wants to explore. She's confused. She doesn't know who she wants to be with. Suddenly I'm a weak performer. Suddenly I'm the best thing. अगर हम challenge अच्छा कर लेते then the whole day is nice. But if the challenge goes bad then फिर जो मैं सुनता था वो विला पहुंचने तक.
True.
Yeah.
It used to fuck his mind.
Yeah, next level. There were most of the times I used to just be sitting and I wouldn't speak to anyone because I was done. I was tired. And I would look at her. We would probably like have a smile with each other because we both know situation यही है. अभी क्या कर सकते हैं? She's also on one end trying to have a relationship, but see again, like she said,
I will try one.
they're all genuine moments. Like there was no point of time जहाँ पर हमने ऐसे सोचा था कि we will plan this and do this, or we were going through it actually there in life. वो हमारा decisions था उस time पे. We were under that pressure. If you see tiredness in our eyes, if you see sadness in our eyes, वो असली में हो रहा था. We didn't have an option, na?
Yeah.
Because we're waking up with the same people, you're sleeping with the same people, you have no connection with the outside world. We don't know what's happening outside. We don't know. So one day we were shooting through a cyclone. Then we found out Chennai has a lot of cyclones, और इसीलिए flights बंद हो गया है. How do we know any of this?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we knew, because we were in that cyclone shooting for sure.
Horrible. Horrible. 3 days we shot.
3 days we shot in the cyclone.
Oh.
साइक्लोन हो रहा है बट यहाँ पे शूट तो तगड़ा चल रही है मतलब
Trust me.
हाँ मैंने
Hats off
देखा
to the-
बारिश भी हो रहा था.
hats off to the
बारिश?
makers bro like
बारिश हमारा
cyclone the proper hurricane वाला cyclone and
जो वो
literally
इमेज में दिखाते हैं ऐसे.
हाँ वो है बट विजिबली नहीं दिख रहा है बट हवा चल रही है उस स्पीड पे
300 people on the crew. I don't know how we pulled through. Like, see, everyone, nobody liked it.
Yeah.
I'm sure even the people shooting also didn't like it. अभी complain करने का कोई फायदा नहीं
ये
because
रियलिटी शो के टाइम पे होता है because when we were shooting Roadies also it kept raining so much. I think this is the time Digvijay got saved when we were shooting Roadies. वो उस दिन वोट आउट होने वाला था but just because बारिश इतनी हो गई वोट आउट कैंसिल हो गया. They moved it to the next day और वो दिन में उसने रात में सबको कन्विंस किया कि भाई मुझे मत निकालो और वो ऐसे बचा था.
हाँ बात करके मैनिपुलेट करके थोड़ा सा
Like उसने
है।
बोला कि आई एम हियर फॉर माय करियर एंड एवरीथिंग प्लीज मुझे
नहीं
vote out
लेकिन
मत
ऐसे
करो.
है बच्चे हैं ऐसे हमारे विला में थे
It
भी
changes the situation, ना.
These guys put in a lot of effort to save themselves.
Of course, it's a survival game.
रात-
If you're not
बिना
convincing the other person, it's going to be like,
and they also see na कि how much hungry that person is
Yeah.
and on basis of that also they will keep like चलो इसमें तो वो hunger है कि उसको कुछ करना है करके rather than somebody who would just be like okay bye
yeah.
In that matter, even your Diptanshu was very crazy. He
my
would stay up.
your if you say no I will just
He would stay up late in the night. He would be planning. He would sit quietly and he would, if there are 20 outcomes that can come, sub 20 को वो एक एक करके analyze करेगा और वो figure.
He was very smart.
Yeah.
he was not very smart it's just the rest of the people were little not smart
No, I
Dumb,
don't.
that you're saying.
I don't think. I
You're
don't.
saying he was smart because all of them are dumb.
He's very calculative.
logical
it's not smart.
person and it really takes a lot for someone to be like that because I'm standing and then he would just say what they're going to say he would just say who's going to go out he's just going to say everything
Yeah.
like bro what the
And also giving you the throne while he could have been there.
he couldn't have been there
नहीं तो वो जा सकता था ना.
no he just wanted he just wanted somebody from our alliance to sit on the throne but at the same time he trusted me
Oh.
But
कि
that was
इसको
also
मैं
a good
बिठाऊंगा
move.
Good move.
That
हाँ
was also
इसको
a
मैं
good
बिठाऊंगा तो मुझे पता है कि सैंडी मेरी सुनने वाली है बिकॉज हमारा वो म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट था बीच में वो म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट का धजिया उड़ गया था
Also, it splits villa, so he would have gotten a compliment or two for putting his woman on the throne instead of him. इतना तो दीप्तांशु को भी
हाँ,
पता
तो
होगा.
उस टाइम पे हरिकेन हो गया इतना गंदा हाल हो जाएगा तो कट टू इनसाइड शूट हो गया तो इसके दिमाग में वही चल रहा है कि मेरे को इतना प्रेज किया बोला कि सैंडी को बिठाया द ओनली मैन ये सब कट होने वाला है ये सब कट बिकॉज दे सेड रीशूट उसको वो ही चल रहा है उसको वो ही चल रहा है कि शिट मुझे भी बुरा लग रहा है क्योंकि इतना मैं मेरे बंदे को प्रेस किया है मुझे भी चाहिए था कि वो आए मुझे क्या पता कि सी हैड 2 ways वन ही वांटेड मी टू सिट बिकॉज आई एम हिज पार्टनर ही वांटेड टू सिट वन फ्रॉम हिज अलायंस तो वो चीज तो है थी इट वॉज नॉट जेन्युइनली लाइक ओ माई गर्ल आई वुड जस्ट मेक हर टू सिट नो इट वॉज नॉट दैट बट इट वॉज बोथ वेज आई वॉज ऑल्सो बेनिफिटेड इन दैट ही वॉज ऑल्सो बेनिफिटेड इन दैट इट वॉज बोथ वेज या तो उसको वही चीज चल रही थी इसके वजह से वो चैलेंज में जहाँ पे मैं फुल उतरी हुई थी यू सॉ दैट चैलेंज नो जहाँ पे गुल्लू और अनीशा का वो बॉन्ड दिखा है कंपैटिबिलिटी चैलेंज लव वाला तो मैं वो वहां पे वो श्रिंक हो गई कंप्लीटली
हाँ हम बाहर भी शूट कर रहे थे फिर अंदर
मैं
भी
इतनी श्रिंक हो गई कि पूछना पड़ा उनको कि हुआ क्या सैंडी बिकॉज आई एम ऑलवेज लाफिंग स्माइलिंग गिगलिंग तो मैं कॉर्नर हो गई तो वो चीज़ मेरे को ये हो रही थी कि इसका दिमाग चल कैसे रहा है
गेम
के इस पे मैं इतना
And also he said something like कि सैंडी जैसी लड़की को तो मैं मुंह भी ना लगाऊं.
बोलो अभी
मुंह लगाया था.
करो बात.
तो वो चीज़ उसने निहारिका को बोली थी बट निहारिका के मुंह पे केक नहीं मारी उसने मारी हर्षित के मुंह पे ही थॉट मे बी हर्षित के मुंह पे लगा देते निहारिका के मुंह पे लगाएंगे तो अलायंस खराब हो जाएगा करके वहां पे बैठ के उसने ऐसे करके मुझे बोला माँ कसम मैंने नहीं बोला माँ कसम मैंने बोला माँ कसम नहीं बोला आई एम सो सॉरी
बट दीप्तांशु हैज दिस टेंडेंसी है
ओके
माँ कसम से कैसे लड़के निकल जाते हैं यार.
मैं बिलीव करती थी आप भी अभी बोलोगे माँ कसम बिकॉज मैं जब माँ कसम डालती हूँ मैं कभी डालती नहीं हूँ एक पॉइंट में किसी ने आके मुझे वो चीज बोली थी बट देयर आई हैड टू पुट मदर स्वेयर बिकॉज देयर वाज नो अदर ऑप्शन
Yeah.
one of the producers came and asked me something that's when I had to tell the truth तो मैंने mother promise बोल के but apart from that every 5 minutes he puts माँ कसम उसने माँ कसम करके बोला नहीं बोला, तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो
He's
किसने
very
मुझे
convincing as a person.
Yes.
He's very convincing. Like उसका ऐसा था कि
exactly somewhere right now he's convincing someone.
yeah, if
He's
during
already convinced that
during the
person,
show
and now
also-
they are together.
during the dome
So
session
many,
Yeah.
not just one person. He can convince. I'm so sorry.
keep going. So.
Anybody
I'll
can
wait, I'll
convince.
wait.
Yes,
No worries.
he can sit, make you sit. मैं बताता हूँ. जब वो चीज हुई, तो has that all script ready and everything. I don't want to portray him as a bad person. He's not a bad person. He is not. He was just very calculative, which I am not. मैं इतना नहीं सोचती तो मैं कहीं मतलब पता नहीं मैं छोटे एज में ही कहीं पहुंच जाती. मैं इतना कैलकुलेट नहीं करती हूँ. बट he said mother swear. He didn't say that. But in VD, he's laughing.
yeah.
And it genuinely hurt me so bad. इसका मैं जवाब दूंगी almost आगे जाके. Like I have something ready for that. मुझे बहुत I really thought he didn't say. जब किसको पता वीडियो
So
में
you
क्या
got to know about this in the show.
Yes, on the episode he's saying.
मैंने तुम्हें शो में पता चल गया था कि उसने बोला है.
क्यों आपको पता है उसने क्यों बोला है ये चीज?
क्यों?
बताओ.
कौन सा?
सैंडी को तो मुंह भी ना लगाओ.
हाँ, क्यों बोला है?
क्यों बोला था?
बोलिए आप.
Sandy?
जब मेरे से क्वेश्चन किया गया था कि तुमने बोला कि आई विल गिव वन चांस टू दीप्तांशु और एल्स आई विल परफॉर्म विथ रॉन. उस दिन दीप्तांशु हर्षित और टेन के साथ था. तब निहारिका और अस्मिता रूम में आए थे. तब उसने बोला आई हेट सैंडी, आई डोंट लाइक हर, ऐसे वाले लोगों का मैं बाहर मुंह भी ना लगाऊं. तो इस चीज़ को निहारिका ने वो लिखा हुआ था कि ऐसे ऐसे दीप्तांशु ने ही सैंडी के बारे में बोला है. एंड विदाउट द कंफर्मेशन आई डोंट थिंक सो मेकर्स विल पुट इट ऑन द स्क्रीन.
Okay.
वो झूठ होता तो वो कभी डालते ही नहीं. तो उसने एक्चुअली बोला था. बट फिर भी मैंने उस टाइम पे उसको बिलीव किया कि उसने नहीं बोला. उसकी फिर से माँ कसम डाल दी. नहीं बोला. मैंने जब नहीं बोला मैंने नहीं बोला. I don't know. It was like that. But when I saw the episode, I felt so embarrassed. I felt so like, fuck! How did I not see it? How did I not see it? And he also mentioned that I told it to Niharika. In a very different way, he might have taken revenge towards Niharika. But ऐसे आगे से उसने नहीं दिखाया.
He would have taken it in the next dome.
I don't think so. I've told one nonsense thing about him behind his back. Except for the fact that I might explore if he's not giving me भाव.
Yeah.
उसके अलावा मैंने उसके बारे में कभी कुछ गंदा नहीं बोला है. Because I will not. Because I genuinely liked him as a person. God had different plans. So bye. तो कुछ भी बोल दे जाके सैंडी को पता था बोल जितना चाहिए तो बोल. मुझे उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रख, मैं मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखूंगी. लेट्स नॉट जस्ट clash into each other ever again.
Yeah, because this is your side of the story, and he might have another one, so we can't blame both.
I'm
of
not
you for
blaming
that.
him. And
Yeah.
my mom's first priority is Ron.
Yours should be too.
Yeah, my first priority is also Ron.
Okay, Ron has taken these green flag classes from Jashwant and didn't work out in his favor.
Can I know who said this?
Me. I just made it up.
I just want to know.
Yeah. Well, she was talking so much. I'm like, थोड़ा attention इसको देना चाहिए इस बात. I'm kidding. There's so many comments about this.
Yeah. There is. This was.
जशवंत से ली है classes, but it didn't work out.
ये
for him.
जसवंत का सीन ऐसे हो गया था कि the moment I entered into the show, ना, these guys found out that I was friends with Jashwant. The reason why I came onto the show was also because people from that whole batch, even Shubi, actually Shubi helped me get an audition with Team Colosseum, and that's how I managed to get into the show. Believe it or not.
Wow.
Jashwant was one of my friends.
Nepo.
Yeah.
Nepo baby.
Nepo kid.
Nepo से ज़्यादा honestly बताऊँ, I got lucky because I don't watch reality shows. I've not watched one episode of Splitsvilla completely even today. Not even my own episode. मैं नहीं देख सकता. I don't like the format. I don't like the fighting and all of that. But I did it because for my career it made sense. And that time I saw all the other people are doing so well. Jashwant is doing so well. Shubi is doing so well in life. How much will I keep doing वही shoots, वही same चीज़? तो मैंने सोचा कुछ और अलग try करते हैं. किया. वहाँ पहुँचने के बाद उनको भी पता चल गया कि आई नो जशवंत, आई नो शुभी एंड ऑल दीज पीपल. सो वन, वी डू लुक लिटिल सिमिलर क्योंकि साउथ इंडियंस है, वी कम फ्रॉम द सेम प्लेस. कर्ली हेयर, क्यूट स्माइल एंड ऑल दोज लुक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. बट
खुद को बोल कर्ली है, क्यूट स्माइल, मतलब वाओ.
गाइस, दैट आई यूज्ड टू गेट पेड फॉर, बिलीव इट और नॉट. वैसे बकेट पकड़ के ऐसे करके पिक्चर लेना, ये सब
ये KFC में देखा है इसको.
बहुत सारे इसके शूट्स हैं.
हाँ, but then the KFC guys ऐसे. But the treatment और वो सब I think is just good parenting ना बाबा. I feel like we are both nice in that sort of way कि accommodating है हम लोगों की तरफ. We'll take care of you. We'll open doors for you. All these little nuances. But
you're like that, you're saying.
Yeah,
You didn't take
yeah,
any classes from him.
No. We're very different otherwise in terms of like even treating women. And I think you know this better than anyone else. You have met both of us on different occasions. You think we are similar?
I mean, you both are very nice human beings.
That's it. But have you ever got that vibe कि जशवंत और रोहन same लगता है कि
I've not interacted with you so much, and Jashwant se I know that.
yeah, but I don't think there is that. Okay, so I'll take back what I said. I'm assuming Shreya doesn't notice me
No,
that.
he's a very nice
Shreya doesn't
human
notice me that
being,
much,
very
but
nice. Good friends.
as we have had
But
our
इतना मेरा तुमसे बात नहीं हुआ कि मैं जान सकूं that you are a green flag or a red
तो
flag.
मैं
Because
honestly
I've
बता
never
रहा हूँ,
like.
I am not either. I don't care if I'm a red or a green flag. It is not my motive or objective. I'm not here to please.
You're the
other
pink
people.
one, pink flag.
I don't care.
You can't say that.
I don't care.
Just say
genuinely,
yes, I am pink flag.
am-
That makes you a pink flag, man.
You're.
Shreya saying that you're a pink flag
Yeah.
makes you a pink flag.
Okay, I'm a blue flag, purple flag, sub flag.
No,
What?
you're a pink flag.
I'm a pink flag,
Yes.
guys. Yes, thank you.
You love women. You don't disrespect
Yes.
them, and you uplift them. So you're a pink flag.
Yes,
I
you're a
don't-
pink flag.
You're a feminist.
You're a feminist.
I am someone who just.
ये जो starting का when you ask him are you a pink flag, cut to when he's saying yes I am a pink flag.
Nonsense. I am just a guy who tries to make sure nobody else is having problems around me and everyone's comfortable. That's my basic principle. इसका ये नहीं है कि लड़की है तो उसको ज्यादा भाव दूंगा या लड़का है ज्यादा भाव दूंगा. जब योगेश और ये रूरू का हुआ, मैं योगेश के पास जाके भी पूछा, भाई तू ठीक, सब ठीक.
He low-key likes Diptanshu also.
It's not liking, it's like anyone who sat in front of me, I go and ask, yo, you're okay homie, it's fine. Because even I have been sad at once and I felt like I wish I had people around me.
Like a very giving person.
That's it. That is it. There is no matter of if it's a good thing to do or if I'm getting praise from other people.
Give a lap dance to her if you're that living.
No, I'm not that giving that I give.
Okay.
Not
When the cameras are on, you're not that giving.
No, I'll have a conversation with her. I will not. Why will I give?
He was so excited.
Imagination is faster than
You start thinking already.
light.
Don't worry, I'll try to make it happen for you.
I'll be making it happen only. Don't worry.
Not today.
Coffee with Shreya.
Come here.
No. Daru with Shreya.
Daru with Shreya, whenever you sit on the couch, she will like,
Make you do lap dances.
I'm already
Did you
getting
see
a lot
that
of hate on the
expression?
internet, guys. Please don't say something that doesn't match
because
my
of that eyebrows
personality.
thing, no?
Not
Yeah,
my
yeah.
way.
Yeah, 2-3 days it will be there.
What eyebrows thing? What do you say?
That's another topic. We are talking about you guys. Don't talk about me.
क्या बोल रहे?
मैं बताती हूँ. Eyebrows.
Okay. The next one is Akanksha is getting bot followers and she's gaining sympathy and she's the most undeserving 1 million in the history of Splitsvilla.
Who wrote this?
There is somebody on Reddit and it's there on the internet.
Can I just send him a giveaway package or something?
Gift is coming to you this weekend.
Why did you say this?
About that, it is the truth. What was the Reddit thing again?
Like she is the most undeserving 1 million followers in the history of Splitsvilla.
I don't want to say undeserving. I just feel like on what basis? Who are these followers and who are these people and what is she getting benefited by it? That is my question. उस 1 million को तुम कैसे use कर रहे हो? To portray hate or to portray love? Like how are you helping these 1 million followers? If you're an influencer, you have 1 million following, you have to show some impact to them, right? At the end of the day. Like let's say don't spread hate.
Yeah.
मुझे पता है कि मेरे साथ बुरा हुआ है बट मैंने उसका बड्डी असर ले लिया है शो में, तो हेट देने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. वो लोग खुश है, उन्होंने उन्होंने दे हैव डन रॉन्ग टू मी एंड उनका मुंह नहीं लगना है मुझे. दैट इज़ लाइक क्लासी, रियल क्लासी. बट दिस इज़ लाइक 40 कंटेस्टेंट में 30 कंटेस्टेंट्स को सिर्फ हेट ही मिल रहा है उस तरफ से. सिर्फ hate narratives. For example, she said that Sadaf pulled Suzanne's hair and it came off in her hands. When did this happen? It never happened in reality. So what are you trying to tell your audience? अभी 1 million, चलो 2 million है, 3 million, 4 million. आप बोल क्या रहे हो उनको? कैसे उनको बढ़ावा दे रहे हो या बोल क्या रहे हो? How are you helping them? By developing hate? Then follow.
What do you feel?
I mean, it worked out in her favor. She got lucky. That's it. Now she's playing according to the story. I'll go opposite to what you're saying. I'll tell you why. Because she knows that this is going to work.
Is
And
it?
Right now.
You're going
I'm not
opposite
going
to
opposite
me.
to you.
Go ahead.
I think Sandy's right. But she's doing what is needed for her to go ahead in the show. Abhi wo 1 million ho gaya, congratulations, and she'll get a lot more opportunities because of it. We get affected, she gets affected, of course, because there's a lot of fighting happening, a lot of drama happening, and maybe she might lose followers because of it. But does Akansha really give a shit? No, she doesn't. Akansha is winning in her way, in her prospectus, like I said. So she will have a different perspective to
I
it.
think she's crying every
But
single
I
day.
personally don't feel Akansha has done so good in the game for her to get 1 million followers. Like she's not a... Even during the game, she wasn't one of those prominent characters to consider. कि एक लड़की ने इतना काम कर लिया कि उसका 1 million बनता है and we are also supportive. No, there was nobody like crazy that way. She did her job. Sandy was very good.
Yeah.
Sandy was amazing. But like I said, no, Akansha was not really. She's not. You don't
She
look
was
at her
not,
and think like.
I never considered her in the show also. Like I never considered her. Like you know who are you fighting with, who are your competitors, who you want to play with, who you know will go ahead in the game. She was never in the race, to be very honest. Because in a lot of life she said that तुम्हें पता है कि cut क्यों किया है because Sandy is not that important. That's why makers are cutting her scenes. क्यों dance cut किया है because Sandy is not important. इसके वजह से dance cut किया है. या जो भी है जो बोल रही है कि so every time she's lying and she's saying the makers have cut it. अभी बोलेगी तुम लोग सोचो कि कट क्यों कर रहे हैं क्योंकि लोगों का इतना अहमियत है नहीं शो में. ये तू बोल रही है मुझे. मैंने अभी भी इतना सब करने के बाद भी उसके बारे में ऐसे नहीं बोला है. And if somebody is getting 1 million, somebody is getting a song or something, I always feel happy for them. But just don't set fake narratives and false narratives. That's my only request. आप कितना भी hate करो, मुझे कुछ कितना भी बोलो, आप झूठ मत बोलो. Because आप बार-बार पकड़े जा रहे हो यार, कितना बार पकड़े जा रहे हो? Is this again and I feel like this is also her PR stunt only. कि झूठ बोलो फिर से get caught, झूठ बोलो get caught. I genuinely think that she's feeling guilty right now and she's crying about it. I don't think so she is celebrating or anything whatsoever.
Okay. This is the last one. Sandy is jealous of Akansha and she's actually a bully.
I guess this Akanksha only has written.
Check करो एक बार.
Akanksha आ जाओ असली account से आ जाओ. And I don't know, see, she provokes us, okay? And then let's say she provoked us in one episode. कि तू क्या है, तू ये है, तू वो है. Every time she gets to my parents, there was this whole scene where she spoken shit about my dad and my mom and dad. She said openly that Sandy's parents has to be ashamed of her and this and that. Oh my God, who are you first of all to say that? Who the hell are you? उस टाइम पे मुझे इतना बुरा लग रहा था कि शिट यार मेरे माँ बाप इसके बीच में आ गए. मैं यहाँ पे कुछ उखाड़ने के लिए आई थी बट if they see this probably they might feel sad that they got involved in such a way. They were not. They were like अच्छा हुआ तूने बोला कि your parents will be proud and we are still proud of you. We were always proud of you. That obviously our parents.
Yeah.
Why would they be not proud of you?
course.
ऐसे कुछ किया नहीं है मैंने शो में कि इनका इज्जत चली गई है. And moreover, for example, this jealous thing and the term that she started calling us bully and stuff like that. So she provokes us in the dome. And when the episode airs, she goes 1 hour, 2 hours live on the previous day. And she's like, तुम देखो guys क्या हुआ है वहाँ पे. तुम लोग देखो कि हुआ क्या है. So the provoking happens from her side. She comes on live, she sets a narrative. People when they see episodes and they're like, हाँ भाई ये तो चिल्ला रहे ये लोग बेवजह. ये लोग तो bully है. Bully मतलब क्या है? You were my friend on the show, bro. You're calling me a bully? Akanksha was a friend of mine. Suzanne was a friend of mine on the show. How are you calling us suddenly bully? Would you make friendship with the person that bullied you ever?
Even after throwing tea on you,
Yeah.
like, you were friends with Suzanne.
Yes.
Yeah, they fixed everything. This is what I'm trying to tell you.
And
Everything got better later on.
They're coming on the social media. Susan was following me, by the way. Susan was following me. Susan I met during the first premiere which Ron hosted. She's made a vlog with me. So why are you with a bully?
Speaking of Suzanne, same thing. I met her in the success party also. That same day she released put out some reel where she took my case in the Dome session and she was very proud about it. She was like exposing green flags for the way they are. I came and confronted. I'm like, why? I've not spoken to you. I've not said anything about you. She's like, no, you were in Urfi's party that day when Sandy was there, so you laughed at this. I said, I got called to Urfi's place because Sandy was nice to me. I'm grateful, first of all. Now, why did you put this out? Because I want to promote the show. Good. I said, keep doing it. I went to an interview. Then I told, this was some podcast, similar podcast, and there I told the truth about this whole chai spilling wala incident. I'm like, listen, nobody here, everyone's bullying everyone, okay? Let's be honest with this. The game makes you that way.
Yeah.
Sab log aapas mein, you're always having friction, you're always trying to create chaos. It's not like they were some poor little puppies that someone took advantage of them. वो भी उसी level पे वापस retaliate करते थे, ये भी उसी level पे retaliate करते. Everybody was hating everybody at this point of time.
Yeah.
Nobody's right, nobody's wrong. Now sitting and trying to figure out and say that
Well, yeah.
she made me feel so bad.
Then why did you become my friend on the show?
Like I said,
Immediately when Yogesh ditched Akanksha, she came up to me. She's like, मैं तुमसे झगड़ा कर रही थी योगेश के वजह से. And Yogesh is coming and telling me that मैं तुम्हारे साथ अच्छा इक्वेशन में नहीं था आकांक्षा की वजह से. So I don't believe both of them. So I still was there for her, still listened to everything that Yogesh did to her, listened to her, but I didn't entertain her like the way she wanted to get entertained by me. So I know where is it all coming from. It was where the part where she wanted to just make her own alliance and go against Yogesh. She wanted to make her own alliance so that कल जाके सब लोग योगेश के against रहेंगे. तो वो मेरे साथ काम नहीं आया उसका. Because I love Ruru. I love Ruru. Ruru is an amazing person. The way she's taken the whole chaos and still taking it बेवजह hate. And she really has physical issues. Like, how do I say this?
she's got some health problems.
Health problems, sorry.
Physical issues. I was like, what?
She has major physical issues, especially in her brains. She got a cyst operated from her brains and everything. She's going through a lot. People are body shaming her. Obviously, this Akutara, Guttara, whatever is going on, the hashtags or everything. It's very bad and very this thing. If they're happy, they're enjoying in the mountains right now. They're happy and everything. So, like,
देखो इस पूरे situation में I feel that Ruru was also not wrong, Akanksha was also not wrong. Yogesh could have handled the situation in a better way. He could have been honest with Akanksha and would have not led her so much if he knew that his ex might come to the show or something like that would happen.
I want Ron to...
Yeah, कुछ अगर honesty होता ना, definitely लड़की भी समझती कि bro 6 महीने का प्यार है, मेरा 20 दिन से है. But trust me, I have done a reality show. You get attached so easily to another person because you don't have your phones. There's nobody like family contact नहीं है. I've been there. I've been in that situation.
You search for that familiar face.
Yes, प्यार हो जाता है भाई. लोग बोलते हैं 20 दिन का प्यार. Actually भी प्यार हो जाता है. हाँ, क्योंकि वहाँ पर phones
क्यों नहीं बोल
होते.
सब जाके अभी दीप्तांशु भी बोल रहे कि रोमांटिकली मैं इन्वॉल्व नहीं था, मुझे प्यार नहीं हुआ था, ये नहीं हुआ था. अरे क्यों इतना डिनाई कर रहे हो? जब हुआ था तो हुआ था.
It's true.
It's true.
During a reality show, you feel everything. Even
I don't want to. The thing is, we're all scared to say that I love him.
Yeah.
Or I love her. We're so scared to use that term, but it is real. We loved each other. We loved being with around. What do you mean by love then? Like being together, having the same thought processing, thinking same. If that is not what love is, then what is love?
I'll show you what love is.
Oh my.
Let's do another segment which is called the Golgappa segment. Please, Golgappe le
Let's
aao.
go. I was anyways hungry. Huh?
Yeah. So the thing is, यहाँ पर कुछ गोलगप्पे हैं जो अभी थोड़े गीले से हो गए हैं.
हाँ, इसके
But
लिए.
कुछ इसमें स्पाइसी होंगे, कुछ इसमें स्वीट है. अगर तुम्हारे मुंह में स्वीट गोलगप्पा आ रहा है, so you have to say something sweet about the other person. And अगर मिर्ची वाला आ रहा है, you have to say something bad about the other person or something that you don't like about the other person.
Okay.
So when you're ready, it's a competition. जो ज्यादा बोलेगा वो जीत जाएगा.
जीत के क्या मिलेगा?
कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, बजट नहीं है हम
ज्यादा
लोग
गोलगप्पा
का,
का।
ये पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है। चलो आओ।
Instead, we'll do one thing. एक खाते हैं. We'll see who has got sweet spicy. We'll say one thing.
Yeah.
Done.
थोड़ा सा खराब हो गया ना, तुम लोग ज्यादा भी बोल रहे थे।
Sorry.
Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, cheers. Spicy one is good, huh?
What'd you get?
Spicy.
Sweet.
You got sweet?
My explanation were different.
Okay. Say something.
Bad about?
Something spicy about me.
Oh, towards the later part of the game when her and Diptanshu were becoming a connection, no? I really started like not liking their energy together as people because Diptanshu तो वैसे भी कमीना था. He is a very calculative person. वो कब तुम्हारे पीछे से वार करेगा तुझे पता नहीं. I had expectations for him because we already had a little bit of like
Conversation.
yeah, but later on because of the game option नहीं था हमारे पास. But during that phase, Sandy used to frustrate me like nobody. I've been Sandy's enemy also in the game. I've been Sandy's friend also. I will say being a friend is easier.
Yeah.
Being an enemy sucks. I don't like it. I don't want to see it ever. They don't want to.
It's either love or hate. Nothing in between.
Yeah.
And that hate is also
maybe-
Too expressive for that, I think.
Yeah, and he absolutely right. And he said that you had become one mini Diptanshu.
later on.
So
it-
your partner changes you, na? I get it.
I do become like the person I'm living with. If I'm with Ron, I become Ron only.
Yeah.
Like I mirror him exactly how
You'll
he
become
is.
the green flag. Or the pink
or the red flag.
Or the
Pink
one.
flag.
Okay, say something good about him.
There's so many things.
एक बोल अभी आएगा ना और there's so many things but we don't want to date.
I feel like he was too good to be on the show. To be honest, I know he wanted to explore and try new things because he was a little bored of all this shoots and everything. He wanted to do a reality show and everything. He was too good to be true, but that really got him to go ahead in the game in a very pure way. Like without strategy, without anything. It was like कुल्ला आज घर जाना है तो घर जाना है, रुकाना है तो रोको, नहीं भेज रहे तो नहीं भेजो, वापस बेला चले चलो, टास्क है चलो, हार गए अरे हार गए. ऐसे.
At one point it was just this.
Okay. चलो.
One more. Chalo.
I'm very smart, Ron. You don't know me.
You have only the sweet ones. You can see it, no? That's why. Sweet मेरा? इसमें
तो
sweet
बहुत
है.
आराम से खा रहे. It's a competition. You have to eat and say. Eat
इसमें
and
sweet
say.
है, sweet है, sweet है, sweet है.
अरे यार don't say.
ये इसमें थोड़ा सा
These
ये भी
bits
था.
will, I tell you bro, they spoil everything.
हाँ अभी बोलो. You want me to say
हाँ
something
बोलो
nice?
बोलो क्या था? उसको तारीफ तो करो, गोलगप्पे खाने बैठ गया ये. उसका अच्छे बारे तो क्या?
ये असलियत है, ये असलियत है.
क्या एनर्जी है लड़की की. जब वो टास्क जो मैंने किया था स्प्लिट्सविला का, अभी तक सबसे बेस्ट टास्क था. मेरे अंदर जो कॉन्फिडेंस आया, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. एंड आई फेल्ट सो कूल एंड इट वाजंट इवन लाइक ये वाला स्वीट है.
तुम्हारे नहीं है, अभी मुझे बुरा बोलना है तुम्हारे बारे में.
बट देयर इज नो पॉइंट वेयर आई फेल्ट लाइक एक सेकंड के लिए भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि आई वांटेड टू विन द गेम एंड डू वेल. शी जस्ट सेड वन डायलॉग, यू हैव टू हैव फन हियर, एंड आई वाज जस्ट हैविंग दैट फन. सो आई रिस्पेक्ट हर फॉर दैट. शी इज वेरी गुड. दो खा चुका हूं मैं ऑलरेडी. स्पाइसी इज वेरी स्पाइसी.
Actually, I guess people call him red flag is for the reason that he is good to every girl.
Okay.
He comforts every girl or something like that. Let's say if I'm in a relationship with this guy, I wouldn't like it. वो सिर्फ मेरे लिए चाहिए.
मतलब he's making everybody feel so special.
Yes. If he was my guy, then I would have a problem.
Yeah.
Good that is not.
But
You and Jashwant are really
But
similar.
I'll tell you something.
bad.
In a game situation, yes, it will be a problem because you're seeing these people in and around.
Yeah.
In real life, it will not. I don't care that much about people. It's just that हमारे
आप भी
सामने
गंदा गंदा बोलना इसके बारे में.
ये स्पाइसी है, ये ठीक है.
भाई but spicy मतलब it's
बढ़िया
like
है.
death यार.
Yeah. I'm also balancing. I had one sweet.
एक और बार बोलो, गुड बोलो, गुड ही बोल लेते चलो.
बोल दे good.
स्वीट खाना है मुझे अभी.
बाकी का मैं खत्म कर दूंगा. कोई टेंशन नहीं. I have something spicy or sweet.
Sweet thing about this guy, he did really care for Asmita
Okay.
on the show.
Cute.
She might have not accepted it completely, but he saw everything. He was always there for her. मतलब वो थोड़ा सा भी मतलब, for example, if she's scratching her hair, he would go and scratch her hair. For example, इतना notice करता है.
He did scratch with something.
Yeah. Ew.
He's
Okay.
oh spicy है. बुराई करनी है. There's more spicy than sweet. What to do now?
हो गया.
Yeah, this is what. हो गया तो don't eat then.
I'll have one sweet.
We don't want to trouble
थोड़ा
you.
बात कर सकता है.
Okay.
Have to say
Can't
something.
say something like this on camera,
मैं
bro.
बहुत प्यार आ रहा है.
Bro, इतना spicy खा के.
मेरे को बोलना है क्या अभी? Spicy कुछ?
Yes, say something.
अभी स्वीट खाया ना?
दोनों बोलूंगा. Last finisher of the
last
game.
finisher.
Okay. Spicy thing about you. What I didn't like was that I don't know if this you'll take as a compliment or something. I didn't like how much she was giving affection to Diptanshu and Diptanshu was not returning it back. मेरे को personally वो अच्छा नहीं लगा. Because I knew what kind of a girl she was. So every time she tried to do something and he used to like not really receive it ना. I hated that. I absolutely hated it. मुझे पसंद नहीं आता था.
Yeah, even I am thinking about it. I don't like his going and saying somewhere else like I was non-romantic that this. चुप. पता है तुमने क्या किया है?
क्या किया?
कुछ किया ही नहीं है. वही प्रॉब्लम था. अभी मैं उनके घर तोड़ने नहीं वाली हूँ बोल के कि हाँ मेरे साथ ये किया है. वो कुछ नहीं किया है. हैप्पी? कुछ नहीं किया है तुमने. खुश रहो.
अच्छी बात ये है.
किया है?
नहीं. वही प्रॉब्लम था ना इसकी वजह से छोड़ा.
हाँ.
Okay, yeah. Okay, ready?
ये क्या करवा दिया यार.
मजा आया
हाँ
ना?
मजा आया.
मजा है ना?
मजा.
कुछ खिलाया यार एटलीस्ट. देखो मैंने भी नहीं
बट
खाया कुछ.
अच्छा even if it was sog it was good.
Yeah?
Yeah, with
Thank
the
God.
sauce it was even better.
Yeah.
Because वो कब से बनवा लिया फिर तुम लोग बात करके
सोचो
मुझे
कि
idea तो
इतना
कर
छोटे चीज को हम लोग कितना ग्रेटफुल मान रहे. कितने ग्रेटफुल लोग हैं हम लोग.
अच्छा है ना, छोटी छोटी चीजों में खुश रहो. ऊपर वाला ज्यादा देगा.
वैसे KFC का चिकन भी देते वो क्रिस्पी वाला वो भी.
अच्छा अच्छा हाँ, करवा देती हूँ ऑर्डर.
थोड़ा सा sweet and spicy ना.
तुम लोग डिनर करके जाना
You
आराम
have the
से.
sweet wing. You can
Yeah.
say sweet
Yeah,
wing.
the
Spicy.
crispy. But Golgappa is also fine.
Was okay.
Yeah, we'll get back to the question.
next time.
Give me the gauze, I'll give you the food.
Oh. This, her premiere party or something. You had some song that came out.
Yeah, Darzi.
Rishabh so cutely. You know what? He's running behind the table. He's making sure the thing is playing on time. He's making sure everything is fine. He's like, light मत जलाओ. अभी projector डल रहा है. Light बंद करो.
3 days back I met Rishabh when he was going to Chandigarh.
Yeah. You guys
Papa.
were on the same terminal,
And
right?
my favorite couple of on the internet. On
Sachi
the
Justin.
No, you and
Oh.
okay. My favorite couple on the internet is Shreya and Rishabh.
Ah, that's so sweet. ये भी reel काट
And
दिया
to be very honest, they are also nice.
Sachi
But
Justin
you are
is
my
very nice.
they are also nice. They're दिखता है ना real है थोड़ा सा and cute करते हैं वो लोग ऐसे ऐसे काट वाट
आप
के.
लोग को भी मिलेगा तथास्तु.
Hopefully, I would like to have a guy who's not on the internet,
Yeah.
who's very shady.
Yeah. Not shady.
Why do you keep saying these kind of sentences, bro?
मतलब Instagram नहीं, Snapchat नहीं, सिर्फ LinkedIn में प्रोफाइल है.
इसको जिंदगी भर उसी ट्रॉमा में रहना है. क्या कर रहा है ये? उसको ग्रीन फ्लैग पसंद ही नहीं है कलेशी औरत
नहीं,
को.
मुझे बहुत पसंद है. My nervous system has calmed down now. So like somebody like Ron can be a suitable partner.
I need you guys to get drunk and like then because when you're drunk you actually make the right choices or the bad ones.
Ron, do you have something to say?
I'll absolutely.
बाकी का
We will continue after me getting drunk and making choices.
I think इसका second हम लोग part बनाएंगे when they decide to get
Yes.
into a relationship and I think this is it.
Just
Do you guys want to talk about something else?
not relationship.
Anything else?
No, absolutely nothing. Thank
Anything
you so
else
much.
is fine than relationship.
Anything better than
Shut up.
relationship. But thank you for having us. Fun conversation.
Yes, we had a great time. Thank you so much for inviting
Ron.
And thank you so much for inviting Shreya.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you guys.
So much
Thank you
fun.
बोलो मुझे सुनने के लिए. Patience चाहिए भाई.
Thank you
सारे
so
बहुत
much.
बोलते हैं.
सच है. हमारा
But thank
टंटा
you
भी
for
कभी
being
खत्म
here.
नहीं होगा.
I'm so excited for the views
For the
and the
views.
money you will get me after this
वो
podcast.
सैंडी बहुत गंदी है. सैंडी ये है वो होगा.
नहीं.
So we'll also send your invoices accordingly after this.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this episode. I hope you love it and मुझे बताना कि अगला couple कौन होना चाहिए इस couch पे and I'm gonna see in the next one.
इनवॉइस सोचिए पैकअप कर दिया यार.
Pack up!